him say your matches our brano abako so our Chelsea France omo game ni nyina no dia no ebe still show aye match abobokua ye fan say Marcel ewo fie ewo start Laurent Velodrome womo som ane Paris Saint-Germain ebe ye fan le classique ewo France ebiem ensom aye Roma so Italy ye wo Inter Milan ewo San Siro Giuseppe meza eho ana abobokua fan say Inter team no na Razuri so mo so po mo game no ade ye tiala Vicia Signore eno enso aye team ye fan say Juve ewo Brasa game no eno som aye Derby Italia wo Roma som ewo England and the mountains for big game and some other headline no and aye game Arsenal abobokua ewo fie womo som ane Liverpool abobokua on any day no and some aye big game and also abakoso and watch bobokua ye fan say Madrid and so ewo fie omo dwumade no and some aye El Clasico ewo brane nyina no and some aye matches aro ene aba headline ewo Europe ewo latest ni nyina no ye de eba na mom ye chance free enra womo matches anam asati tone ewo brame no kase ene womo games awasa baso Leicester ewo fie enra wabra koba se bobokua ye fan say Leicester ensom ewo fie no womo lose 3-1 Edema Saita ye fan say Nottingham Forest adiba kone sa eja esansam okay owrana wadeni sika abasha Leicester ensom ama 2016 in goal contenom ane just dan drunk quatanum wobenya Real Mares ane Jamin Vardy womo som aya juma kama ema bobokua ye fan say Leicester Premier League and coach na ye fan say Claudio Ranieri Daten Kamano ayana ubodiano wa kafechai serva dana braba onom ara chaswanya no baby kwa nei amani man som agisa molesta ko aye championship asam penai womomoto bomu boni nyina ro ensom anshadan so ne me no kase no and womotina fell so 3-1 na bobo kwani kema no som abaso anwa aponta man say run yet ono about first goal ama Jamin Vardy ensom restore parity at my Leicester team no womo som akoba second half mu ana Chris Wood about second was about third goal Edema Saita ye first and Nottingham Tinra womo som akwawe eshamiensa ensom ama Leicester boboku no womo som antimi anti eno ensom aye game anos abaso afei ye call La Liga no enram womo game no ensom our Espanyol wa breakfast enro Espanyol boboku no womo som atena fiabo omo so luzu aye 2-0 Edema Sevilla team no na enro asa game no ensom about our near ye fans RCDE Stadion no mame front one say player ye fans say Dodi Lucky Bakio onom and about first goal as about second goal first half no na Chelsea Sevilla ewa away womo som awie game enro wa to so ensom na man of the match award was amatinwa ye den update tell the kan nyina no ensom adema afei mame fanto am say enwa mines no phone as our fear ensom our Germany womo som an Borussia Mönchengladbach come game no ensom abaso na branta man say Stefan Leiner wonom ashe ongo ema bobokua ye fan say mines no phone omo ensom about first go afei ye benya player na ye fan say Tim Kleindienst onom ara just restore parity ensom adama Mönchengladbach wa went enwa womo som about 2-2 na bobo kwa na sarene ensom awo fi amosha bako ama Le Havre amoso antimi ante Andres Gomez onom ana shot only goal ensom awo sama chenemo ye benya bobo kwa na se Torino enra ensom awo Italy amosha 1 ama komo omutim no womosom antimi ante na chesenra manager Fernando Fabregas anen kwadano womosom akwawe ensom akwa lose enwa game no aya bonta wan se Aliu IBNG ono ensom ana Sagono and some animal Torino, you didn't see culture, ever fear, women some about 2 goals, Emma Bobo Kulam. Ye fan say Kayari, womo som antimi ante na match no ensom na personal mame fan to am say player ye fan say Luka onom about first goal ensom na mabobokua ye fan say Denisi and Wachi and Lorenzo Luka and no and Branta van say Kenan Davis and so obia wono som anya second goal ensom na ma Denisi and no ensom na match and no boss our Branano Peno ye dey update and dey kan nyina no ensom na dey ma onim say nyame ya duma aye next week Monday and a Jumedia was a personal and no some other call Shaq Mame Ballon d'Or because me no can say name and some other report I mean say one some other video at the batches and na name small can confirmé a story at the last time. Mereba to just akotana the fan sa Vinicius Junior say sa Brazil fani nyina ba support no. Na sa Brazil fani nyina ba tana chidi ania. Ye fan sa Ballon d'Or onom ana beje ensom adia sin na so ampa wo kai so amoye ania kan sa come back no. Aye nanu Tuesday mereba to twa enom aye Wednesday ma make sure say yaba benya Paris Saint-Germain wo mu captain aye fan Marquinhos so no ensom abo post match support and what Mantia Gabroma Galatianum, and some other Arsenal. Woman so support way, and some may name a far away from Saudi. And a name I send a message, and some a very simple message and saying. Vinye wanom watawachi na de obeso ka am waso tini nyina ne se wo wuti adjama se nyame yadema Ballon d'Or no wo bejem ade so na so na ono ne ma ne se Vinicius Junior adana koma so etimu amoye an ana ne manyi bi dana bia Vinicius abeji ana yana hanu na fine kosi hi wo yo waya ne sane oma ne nyina no wo sem akoda no adana koma so a wonom support se nyame yadema Monday no wonom so abeje Ballon d'Or ensom ade akofie enye ne Nkua wonum sa wa pro koba se ne mansuwe ya benya Brazil for bi metesa Richarlison ano enso adene supporter ba anu wachi Andres Pereira enso adene dia ba batum ya wa Brazil ya kwada na anu ye na wo she goals adema Brazil na she team no ya fan Luis Henrique wono so adene dia ba e go Jesus no amunyina no enso akabam aye video enso mare supporter akwada na ya fan name e wa brane anya so Vinicius mom a chese nyame ma mantena sajumadi no and some apostle mesaba name so quick no mom make a Ballon d'Or manya me reba fikra wonim say jaminya no sam Shark, yes, Wabi and Wabaton Sam Adiashan Busuafo. Na Adiaba couldn't say nominees are by no Man City, and your nominees our Ballon d'Or. Man United, and your nominees our Kodanimo. It is a city, other flight, and our Paris. Na Man United or some Afamodia Sako Paris. Na no pain, and a day Tennessee. Answer Manchester for so buy a woman sim a Jimmy also me a piano. Woman they cut a cost. Emma make catch us and put over 200. Woman lose Amajuma our Manchester United. And what is Alasaga St. Jumedia? No, Jomo said the last 10 years Amatia and let them over 20 million pounds. I'm a run at there. One and I am ambassador and some Ama Manjuno. I was some Kate Sanyo Marina Senabea, a Kahunu and a Sanyo Mano and some Abajai. Yate, when him said them. Yes, United for no Kobusa Man City for so na say ya chesa match at flight a demo contingent elko Paris and Roma Bantenie Sana Kabedia Mumfa and Quadanimianum and Shem and Quadanimian no Bako and some Ayakadana fans Alejandro Ganacho and a BM and some Ayakadana your fans Kobe Mainu Omumiano yes United for Busasanya Biano say a crane Damudia and Yankabo fans Man City for no woman fans United and Quadamian oh now they say I'm an idea, and I say, say, one flight to them, the Moya Mo. Now, Jinto Mocas and Moya Marinano, and some other say, and woman to me for United, Nibian Fra. Now, yes, I'm on for your well pass. Bobo Quiet found some Man United, no, and I said, your Man City for no, one flight to them, the Munyama, Namum, one to the pass I had to Martin, and a Bobo Quiet found and no, and some Aya City, and some Baswamopo, and Unti Anaman, Jamansa Caninano, and some Anasabia, almost San Quatano, woman to me former Emania year, and no some update free on my sweat tabantine. Yes, City Fana rejected a year request. I mentioned it for the boss. Alejandro Ganacho, New Cabemeno, woman information flight to Marinano, and some update to Eba on Samno, yet the Emma you for an anopay, and some our show no not Jamin and the same. Nemana, na me can ask my casa, Messama back outside, made about 2 the last time. Emma may catch us Asia. One Champions League game, I will say Hilal, and some crowds of Kakabano, name about Ampower Yabi boy. Now, me stand about 2 just say Nemano, may just say the next month, I about Konya, your fancy international break, Brazil for no, one of some other some friend Nema. Now, Susabi Abobokua, your fancy, I just say Hilal Abatia Sama Nemako, and I said, your among Chemanema, report to me inside Canasa, yes, coacher, your fan Jorge Jesus, or no, and the Aqua to just say. One are you sure? Send them up a swopo at the national team. Our brand Yamia Duma, the next international. international break in Abaco. So now Jamaica can say Brazil team no we must start training and some our belly and no I 11th November I'm about training on the 12th and Sana the next day I 13th no we must some game against Venezuela and also about Sunema no Ebasuobo, and no Jamaica, Namum House of N1 Ajo, now I was CBF and Aya Brazil, Women Football Confederation at Denia, Yakana pre list, Akoma FIFA, not just before Sebi officially, woman list Ababa Montano, our cell list Eddie Camcodrum, Aya FIFA, woman some Aswa Jamaica, Canin on the Sandra, woman's Adia Kodana, Yafan say name Eddie account, our Brenano Breno, and no my update to Aba San Seminano, yet Emma, your job for our show, so my man found to say messinum amosom aya juma and now machiwa bra when at the first ever abobo kwanfansa Inter Miami womosom upon here ya can say playoff and some our MLS anymore ever since David Beckham nom and some other music abesha aya Inter Miami bobo kwenum no juma dey fansa playoff our near ya fan Major League Soccer anymore no womosom ambo be dante now machi and omo first ever game and some our near can say playoffs anymore Shaq emi highlight to be on sir Ayadesa Suarez and about first goal. Ama Jordi Alba and some about second goal. When we need 2-1. When we a game, no, a brand one is a Jordi Alba, no, and some other man of the match award, and some our side game anymore. Now, my main friend to himself, you miss a combination. One of some any brand one is a Jordi Alba, no, and watch a power because I don't pay a Leon set a Jordi Alba short, Baby Otina, and I said your distance, and said Yakotano, and some nothing out Guatemala Timino, not just an wash a power, just an and some layer update, and the free Amaswa Deba on him say, where are your first ever? MLS playoff and Inter Miami and some apple the first ever goal player your fans Suarez and Jordi Alba and some Asha our playoffs anymore now celebrities some by Mami Idris Alba Idris Alba one of a Hollywood actor I just remember P action movies no Idris Alba and so by event and CB ABM and some Ayora your fans Pogba and some and the bar and some a stadium Ababasha gamer and some about our branding and some update free Amaswaya and some Eba. Now Yintia Brantavan Luis Suarez after Sakobasa, Wamusum Awi Omugamo, Yintia Suarez and some Asama on those attitude after the game.
We know the playoff is so difficult game. We started really well in the first half. They draw the game before the finish first half. But in the second half, we have created a lot of chance to win the game, and I think we are so happy with the game. I try my best every time on the pitch. I try to help the team. I work 90 minutes, 95 minutes to help the team. This is my job. We know it's the playoff.
Yes, and I am some branch fans, where I Luis Suarez and our Tessa, your dinner accepts Emma, your Jeff for an Anopay, and some our show nos Ama Chess update and also about your messinum and Chess Suarez and your Abanom, and some outcome nano player, not just any outcome to a Cramadican at one himself, your classic, our brassa game, and no other so our French league in Obakaya. I have some weeks ago, and I'm about to just Yana a game on time, man supporters, woman. Elkwawe Enkobi and into medical Tudada. I have been since 2015 and I am a crime of PSG. One supporters and some Enquawe and some our Sama Chinemo. Now, Jamaican and so runner, your friend from Marcourt, on a just way honor, and some other Masabo Conunim said initially. Nanki as a planner and say, Yami Armotina, Game Airbus, our drama cell phone, one more time, Paris Saint Germain, and some Abonanka from Marcourt, Ababa. Now, the second says, so Rano, I just want your own Adamabokua, your father Sam Marcel, and Yadia so Penino, and some Nebetmia Papia, and no I update to Abba San Seminano, yet Emma, your job for an Anope, and some our show so Dabi Italia, and some game I will run our Italy, our Tina, and a Sama to about 5 o'clock, and you're in Tamalan and Bobokua, your father said Juve Refino, and some Marco Guida, or no, and I'm Panaforte, and your Canasa officiatino, and I said, be a Juman area Shannon, sir. Now report to me, sir, can say. Kenan Yildiz. One aya could be on a show number 10. And some other Juve. In fact, yeah, train say managers in me on a pre-match conference. About so now Kenan Yildiz, report to me and say, Bimo de Betu Jasebi Autina, Waba started number 10 row. Now, so the Aminyan say, manager, you found Tiago Mota, you may be on Sakotano, or on to me, man, Moten, Amania ye. What prefer Ebi and Daniel Kanibi, Sabia Fagioli, and I say be a different player. So no more about 10-2. Sabia Kodana Fanasa Canan Shoulders and some Abajana 10. Now Martina Abbas Okaisa, Patrick Vieira, Abo, and maybe a chum, and some other man that was Zurus or Mutimino. Now Patrick Vieira was say, one was Gideon Passana, Yakas, so through Italy. Now Petimba Kwana, what 10 hours sura. What did he ever say in Tamalan Bobo Kuno? Nani Nanasan Ocean Fifi, Ebia Nicolo Brawell, and Jumomo Bar. Was say, or did he ever say one Akatano, and some our Faso Adebakua, Amachasono Patrick Vieira, and so Yada, Padana Fanasa Brawellano, and some I one now what 10 hour Bonimo, and after 2 quality. I just Akran at the Benunti, and I just Amonum, and so Pakana Basua, Nina update Elba. One of Antonio Conte, the effect at some our Italy. Now Adeba Conasa, Napoli Bobocono, says Omoboma to be abate, yes, I sold out. Adeba and one to say, Medical Abatricasa, woman's 3 matches, I games and worshiper, AC Milan, Eshamo baby, Namon weekend did I Napoli, and some and Lecce, and elbow, Bibia Quacamadia, Weno, I am a smash, Adamabokua, Yafansa, as I just a Napoli. Now report to me, and I say, yes, Lecce game, no take it, I sold out. And I just saying, Antonio Conte, fat or buy woman losing on first game, a through or bay, woman looking back, and you may cookama, and some other man Napoli, when if you, I'm just a take it, as some Upabiapa, and yet you saw Benabiatonino, and some I update about on Semino, yet the Amiata from a classic corners and Chabia. Now, my main front one so room, and some our Premier League matches in Mudia, not just an Saturday big games, and some about some notable ones in the year. Not just a nomi you and a matches in and some other shots and your Man City and Bobakua, your father Southampton and some other fear referee. I found South Tony Harrington and some I center referee Emma Maja and on some other cost ABM. My main front two of them say other games I can Aston Villa, woman and Bournemouth, Everball, your Brentford, about the Ipswich Town, ABM and some I Brighton and Bobakua, your father Wolves, Amumino and some other Fulham game woman to Everton. I have 4:30 and you may and some other match and Abasu, Yamian Mortina, and some Sunday matches, Wibanya, I Chelsea, any team, you find Newcastle, Omogamino, I know me, and knows Ababaso, or Costan for Bridge, I referee, and some Simon Hooper, I know, and a very sad game, West Ham, our fear about Manchester United, Yamian Mortina simultaneously, and on some two, referee David Coote and Eddie, at the West Ham man, you a gamer, and on some other. Because our brand of pain, your day I updated in that Babakua, your father's Arsenal, one some up Liverpool, our fear, Nasama Chenum. Anna Jaminian say referee now, your fans Anthony Taylor, one and about Crocodis game now, your day update Emma, your tough Adeba couldn't say, would you Arsenal Konma say, Yanati as yourself Bukao Saka, and watch Martin Odegaard and Kao, Julian Timber, and Ryan was all your training and some our Chasania, your fans so bad reality as to Sabia Cotano, Ebo and Aswan Bono, Ejina many Janiso, William Saliba suspended. Ebiomia Takahiro Tommy Yasu and Ricardo Calafiori no Ebia barren miracle no woman in Abaya out our brass out game and Abasono woman some Timobie na manager fans are Tata woman Busan and Rasa and Yabian way and some Ayabia game because at the biggest test and some Arsenal this season and what's it just say you're gonna hard driving so because on Yuma P our hard driving so Namam as to say because Liverpool game way and some at the biggest test Emma Kua, your father say Arsenal dear. What did you ever say, Debbie? We encounter when you say Liverpool game way and some like a match and what Dano. Now, the best work can you answer a Drew Baby Mama Bob matches beer. Woman at difficult moment to be and some other so many challenging moments. And so, sir, what because there be a Liverpool game and some like the biggest test and all I am so far dear. What did you ever say Liverpool Dano son cow? No more Mikel Tata was Arsenal for them. I'm a Beyonce last season. A bonus say be a big teams, say be Arsenal, Chelsea. Arsenal-Liverpool, Arsenal Man U, Arsenal Man City, and Tottenham. No, woman got to me, just a points to be, and some I know a job Arsenal team, no, and the Bayajuma, and our Bromo game, and manager, your friend Mikel Arteta, and some Akasai.
That's not going to change the season, and we've been there in that situation as well, you know. So probably we'll learn from it as well. But the possibility is tomorrow, you know. Let's have a beautiful day on Sunday when we really perform. We are who we are, and we win that game in the manner that we want. This has to be what it drives our team. That tells you that we are capable of doing it, and we did it, as you said, in a really consistent way this season as well. We went to Villa, one of the hardest grounds, and we won there. We went to City, played 55 minutes with 10 men. We did it, and tomorrow is another opportunity, and the team has done it. That's the good thing. They already experienced it. They believe how good they are, and that's really important. But that's the way.
Yes, I know I am some manager, Fanasa, Mikel Arteta, and I'll tell you, Jenny accepts Emma, your chief for an pay, and some our shoulders for Fay, your corner opposite number, Orano, and some I manager, Fanasa, and a slot, and a slot, and so I didn't come up in a mom. Report to me, second, and some answer. Coach, and say, you want to just Ligue, so I saw Gia. It just a winner resource, Papa, away. I want to say be at Newcastle, walk away to Chelsea. I went to Aston Villa. I went to Tottenham. I went to Man City. I was United and Arsenal. When your points and through us all away. And some collusion matches I'm about Sunday. Not just a league and only already so better me. And you say be an for Dunkwana Bettina. Maybe I wash a Chelsea, maybe a City bar. Wash an Arsenal bar, wash and Chelsea be a league. No, want some other soldier until say, we will quite away a Quaquina results for a camera. And some our South venues in Yano. Want to mean J Premier League and soon also managing Yano. And some I job. One more games Everton and matches I can one more Western your man some about me come in chase my coach your fans and a slot and some other two.
In this early stage, who is going to be your competitor, your biggest competitor? But I think we all know that Arsenal will be one of them, and then dropping points against them or winning points against them, that is always important. So you're right that I think it was 3 draws and 1 loss last season. Yeah. So if you make a simple, if you use mathematics, is that the word? If Liverpool could have won all 3 of them, I think the league table would have been a bit different. But it's difficult to win in a way like against Arsenal, City, or all the other ones, but it's something we are trying tomorrow on Sunday, definitely. We all know that.
Yes, I know I can't free Bobo Crab fan say Liverpool manager no na so adepa and no pay live on the show now onum say Liverpool akwara fan say Trent Alexander-Arnold Diaminya Sanra yes boy no kwaya interview ko to twaso no wabaso be record and say wabaso the first full back say bia ye kaso obi about 2 and say obi boss 3 I watch Ballon d'Or yes na so no Alexander-Arnold na be so yes player no did kan one some na betimi I say record no be sense yerim central defender and some match Ballon d'Or be danamom say be abeka so be a full back ama sani pano eje Ballon d'Or ono Arnold no abeso be the first full backer one also eje Ballon d'Or ntia adebaku a esina no ono so ogidi esa dachi bi ano wo betimi ayesa record na eje Ballon d'Or and some ade esini na so de minya no say player na ye fan say Omar Mamouche ono yo bi osina kan and some our German Bundesliga animo adama Eintracht Frankfurt. There, Everton got some weeks ago, and it's a Liverpool monitor. In fact, Enra, now you're monitoring your session. No, now you're taking a club and I will say Liverpool are contacted by no the camp and you're Kurana Casa and Omar Mamouche and some of you also say when you Liverpool no ball at the American Canada Frankfurt Timino, yes, some demand between 50 and 60 million euros. I know, and some amount to Abobokua, your fantasy Frankfurt say, woman some demand. In fact, I know I have valuation arches Aquadano, one some Nayatonos, our brown Sunya Bobokua, your fantasy Liverpool now, one of some other ball, I'm updating in and some from us who are Tepa. Now, Jeremy Doku and our manager, your fantasy Pep, and some Aquan family said Doku. wabasa ko 1 month on timi mo ball until be after November international break no and e be a branch man say Doku and some other recover na mom yebusa manager fan say Pep and one and come down so pa jay ember gold and a jay life no nyina no one some akasa bi ewom na mom amanfo bi wo gide bi say answer referee some Premier League no say Man City one ya shi enti omo City wo bokuo no and some atotan kruwom City twa ketwa bi a yellow card Man City track to be a yellow card. I'm a man from our perception. Besides, reference them attack at Man City. In Tomubusa manager, your fan of Peps and your piano or Fosa reference maybe our Honma. Woman, are you less lenient at the Man City? And as a yellow card and a punishment, you know, a yard also. What's one found cry? Ain't your Pep?
So normally when you have 60 or 70%, I didn't pay attention of these kind of things, I'm sorry. Normally when you have 60 or 70% of the balls, it's normal that you should less rewarded, but you have the ball. Normally the fault's being committed when you don't have the ball. And normally it didn't happen in our team for not now, for many, many years. So always have been our teams for many years, always have been good that sense, but listen, I don't pay attention, so it's what it is, and that's all. I didn't pay attention of these kind of things, I'm sorry. Normally when
yes, and no, I can't free Bobo Choir fan says City fast way, and some not Japan and Premier Bat Charles Nemon before. The camera I West Ham, Omukochano, your fan Julian Lopetegi, Unumsa manager, pressure, and so about the Swansa, Nansa results, our Dema West Ham supporters, no, Emsa and Perfonin Jeho. Now, German can say, be more, Jibi say, you bet me up promote manager, and I say, be a manager, no, one of some other Luzun, Jumadianum, report to Minion says, and send a international break. What's time our game and support our brother? I mean, can say one more 2 matches and I say be a matches me and Zambia. A 2 man yes and no. I have 3 game ultimatum and Perfono and some Ajama Shulalo Petegi. So come say be a manager no. When your results I have papa our the next 3 matches. Ama West Ham Etia. One some Nabajano Camorano and some upper Biafa and no I can't Amaswa Deba Sansalino. Yet Emma yet for an pay and some our Shonos Andra. Yes, Chelsea manager. Friend Enzo Maresca. One also the Quatuka and now we drew Chelsea now among your leaders. Our team no more. What did you about Levi Cromwell and they were leader, actually captain. Your friend Rhys James, as I said, never started season, you know, was a Swabi catcher and Kabia Levi Cromwell and some other leader be Conini. That's what you started season, you know, we shall Juma Boynham up on another picture. What did you about some leadership? I said ranking, no, what Bosrom, a chain Akotana, your friend Rhys James, or no, what kind of Quanacha Rhys, Anonymous Marascan Sudie, one what can I say the pain, what can see when or say, what catcher Rhys James, in fact, Nanko expect more. Nanko expect better. I didn't captain about starting season. Who be and I'm a pra. I did chama pra. I did chama honya and I'm a pra. Myself I relapse and I setback and a sanyo money nano. Yana and what essence the moment. What was so D I had dumb and I don't quack ono. Ebia over touching man yana and my results and I touch show and eba. And what did he about already Akotana also pet and home in some no man and Montemban epaja said a bear. Your cast will be a leader or your captain or some ability by example and some amatimono. Now until I couldn't send and sense washer. Anytime be a Chelsea. Everybody big game never say be opponent to the manager no. Ever my play strategy. Say be a Palmer. One man marking no. Yana difficult say be a Palmer. So I bet me then a whole. I was so much now ye. One man Curtis Jones. Ejina Quatana. Your friend say Palmer so against Liverpool. One should have who so sa. Nanum and a quote and say. I yet there because I'm not about the last season. And you start to what about who boy for sure to them. I yet there so quack about game now. Man marking Abayajuma. I just say be a place me and I say be a me I bet at mom a brother drew our so called Palmer and some Suyantia Efrimo say a tower and then also we I just an another woman game no and some at me developing into some coach. You find Enzo Maresca on Co Palmer and some other two.
So we use that that weapon from the opposite team. That if they want to mark man-to-man call, probably we need to find a different solution. But also, I think is the next step forward for Cole to make use to play with that kind of situation. He has to learn. Sometimes you can see that he get a little bit frustrated because it's not easy to have always 90 minutes, 95 minutes being marked man-to-man. But all that kind of players, that level, they used to be marked men. First of all, we use him.
Yes, and no, I can't free manager fans, and so Maresca sweat our brasan 7 yet Emma yet for an anno per our shoulders for Fay, young coach United as a United farmer bonten. I'm a dinner story American to Canada. Now, just some years Sanka City and far could be made new any Alejandro Ghanaian antenna, one more flight and call Ballon to our Nemra, and I'm rejecting Tia United and some other deny. Now, manager fan Eric and her, good Samanoka Sakotana, your fan Joshua Zagzi. The last time in about 2 just years old, I live a Juve Balloon. I'm just and Wabakwa. Namum German second support. Yes, won't consider that so free United. Now, our GDS about but bet me a succeed. I was United Bobo Konimo, and to rumors and then Montana I walk on a Juve fan and there be a man upper striker. Woman Janaman Akon was saying to Kobe and Marcodana say, one say a fake news. I'm a Dominion Sunday, Alfonso Davis, and so you'll be a decamber some Manchester Air Parfait. Yes, it may United for any prepare. No Commander no Mudisan can be a player. Your fans Alfonso Davis, Ababa United, no. Yes, Amashamukina, one more transfer Codano, or no some other to me about many fans are Javi. After say, Bossa for Januka, okay, Medabetu Jasabimu, our GDB Manchester Jumano, one some other man, Xavi Hernandez, one some other one in need. Now, I'm deny Anna Ansoff, and when you met the Bana report to the bus, I would drew a United a contingent in Perifono, Belsa Makuma Kufo, woman some Okosha Shafi, and some our Spain and Orana Kasai. Nanipan would general Ayo Mar Barada, Orano Free City, Aba United, no, one and a leading Sama United executives, woman some Okosha Shafi, Ebium, and some other Sorano, one more GDS from the Manchester Jumanamana, one of some about me, and you know, yes, behind the scenes, you know, woman host of managers Ekasa na chesa managers ni pinano wo mu din komantin kesa ebrebe true na se bi omo saki coach na ye fa no se Tenha gadia wo mu som abama safo no mu baako aba ye adwuma no na Tenha sema ye ka wo se adebako atwema United assign and some injuries nanu ya was say Anthony Motombo our training kama and it Anthony Mababo our Sukuru Salakoglu Stadium against Ayafarna Balchi Akwadano Bemua was Ababa Pram and I'm no Kasai will be an important potting Akwadano and some Abatanafie way a coach and found Satana go say injuries and a whole Manchester Timono and some other quattro Yentio coach no.
Us back in our levels and also the league, because when you don't have the players available, you can't line up the best team, and that is what holding us back in this moment. And we need more players often available, and then we have to work all together on this point, and that is the players, the coaching staff, all the other staff. We have to do better and to be more, to getting more available players, because we know when we have them, we are really a tough team to play, and when we have them, we can be really successful. And that is what we have showed over the last couple of months.
Yes, I know I am Manchester coach. I return her Ghana no not just at the moment. Every place in Abaya available. Move on man you for no woman some unimportant but no man also into interest na noa. And I had yes Manchester United. Tell them sir, out of anyone or partner Jaminian say a classic will take it no. I sold out asa. Namum so be out on Swabanyabi. Jamaican out to Masia. Take it no. I sold out asa. Basa upebiatwa ubenya resale our night market omo medika otobia gua womo sentono ebi adeje €1,000 achese de afokra no out of eno no pano omo say agina 17,395 Ghana 173 million enkanisika enom anafo ana chese de eno som nebo den no womo say obetumi atobi as much as €2,500 na chese 434 million and Kanisika Ghana denim at 43,500 487 Ghana and I classical take it resale and it's just a new air cost one in an annual and also by married for say Yenny can fire your caution Emma Bobokua your friend of boss for San Tree woman send I Santiago and the bow woman stadium roof no woman catasso ebe closed and some more our stadium ayakata then so da mon function with Sana Tree woman other cata stadium no so now I'm catasua Yana said your sound SCT euphoria and then just some new massive calling no Yana favor your home team of Real Madrid none not the last time I came from the club casa mobile class stadium but me abutuno Mama said unity and show for Mama said Asiano and some Anchasuro. Remarried for somebody at Womo Cano Casana Chino, Womo some other Catasso Amagamo and some Ayakema. Now proud to the game Bossa for say answer medical story that I say I feed you Womaton and Nimu Jason and I said JC and Monomaton and your code play and no a rock band almost have a genimo. Now Bossa started so many artists, air partner and some air classical and then no almost at this time, we almost has our results in the back camera because only kind of Drake at the other two anymore. Woman Luzui, woman Rosalia, woman Winnie, Rolling Stones, and Koye, Carol G, and Koye, Enti Anadri, Wabra called play, and so Baba that bouncer, almost Jason anymore. Our results at Danny, our senior man so to me, come at my team now, and know some update type of mammy bouncer, woman acquire out of NY who saw more Barcelona, and some DK or Madrid. Now, Dominion, you know, a bouncer squad manager, your friend Sans a flag, a paradia, one of some other come on your 22-man squad, where I your power could bounce and the manager say, I am so be your fate or be and some of them archers saw your Barcelona. Most squad in any way, a young Kadana manager, and some other come our brother G, one some game at Basso, one of them said, what broke about Enra, one more promise conference at Basso, Amanchelotinum, and some now can be as all, and a month for Bon Sampa or no, and Juma our plan, and Nadia Serbia bouncer, and some other to me, I catch a Madrid on a break, and a Sanyo Manino, Dominion Sana Tree, I likely say, oh, Mama Dema or Nano, so I'm about to start, I'm a Real Madrid, and such a piano, but Mamma, I only can say proper. I line up on not just a mother for the Bemium Pan, Finfino, one some Bemium, am I a 4 archers and Valverde, Abacava, I any Farenzo, now Bellingham, Akoben Kumso, Nebia Kama Vincaneshua, many moderationum, and to Omumium, our bra 442, and some Abayajumano, and some update to Abbas and 7 yet Emma, yet for an pain. And so I was shown so now report to me second and I said my boss at Diano answer a bit more recover and to be him say be a pressure every coach and so report to me second as a coach yes why not just say game normal body tia bamuntin and I said the boys listen boy understand the judgment on person best son and sano na Inaki Pena Jules Kunde Paul Kubansi Inigo Martinez Alejandro Bardi Mancasado Pedri Femi Lopez, Lamin Jamal, Inform Rafinha, Anya Robert Lewandowski, Womo, Anna Jamesa can say, Bibian Swansa, Womo some other starting. Now report to me, can say, Coach, your fan has a flag, answer way, and HS and a classical DK outball. Our competitive game, sir, and your princess in Omubo, Bianum, your can be a competitive game away, and some another first game, a coach now. Your fan has a flag outball and manage Yama Balsa. Yes, so run analyze every little detail. I did be our classic Comubiano because yes, so many hours I did get too heavy. Real Madrid, everything with your panel show. And the senior manager, and many janum, and so I study. I as well found one game. Now, in fact, Omuya training Enra. Yes, a coach we're fair players in the buy. I'm on your tactical video. I saw session. So I be and so I said many channel and some speech. Woman train maybe on the day. Our boys no concentrate at Yakobo and meditate and a Sanimana Hall and a Casatin Jabi and Ra. Wabra Cobas a boss a year of training. When we are Yasamani Janama speech, where I am momenta. Natures on Lami Jama Aspantea. Yamanum Ama Urano. I also a question is saying red and blue. I just a braces what bonus in the BM manager and Yakrana Jina Dinkoma. Now manager say Anya Lami Yamal and Kwani Park Barcelona 1 was 17 a Juman Korana Bon our Soropan Tominano, one of boys and Obia Dinkoma, one of Bia Casanum, Yabasa coach and a Classico. Basso on El Clasico coach, your fan Hans a flick, and some Akasa and our brand pretty much a basso, yet your coach.
I believe in the team. We have a lot of quality without and with the ball, and this is what we want to see. And also, of course, everyone is playing or running for each other, and this is the most important thing, that we are one team who knows what to do, and also when we play together, then it's our biggest strength. This is why we
Yes, indeed. I know I said your manager friend say Hans Flick and I'll tell say your dinner exceptional and my for an annual pay life and so I was showing so I was say team improvement and so about now I was saying improvement about a general manager that's what can want some Yentia Baza a coach manager Hans Flick.
A little bit, so it's also like that every match we play, so we adapt on the next match, and it's also the same like we're doing against Real. But also Bayern Munich or the other teams in La Liga we played before, the same. They also have players who are very fast. I know we play against Real Madrid, a team with real world-class players. But at the end, I have a big belief in my team because they're doing really great. After we struggle a little bit, that we have to improve a little bit, so it's also like that every match we play. So
yes, I know Jeffrey Barca coach and I swear and I pay live on the show. I feel my main friend to them Saturday and I pay and some our Ghana basketball Raptors and some other Philadelphia 76ers a game about so mucha. I 76ers on say Cavaliers Timno one some Dinkunum of Vania. You can say Detroit Pistons Safe New Youngness and so an Indiana Pacers some game no Pacers and so Elzuye and some next our Brasider. You found Orlando Magic and so Brooklyn at BM, Milwaukee Bucks, and so on Chicago Bulls, a boy. Emma Bulls, a Chasider. Your father said Milwaukee Bucks, a fay, make us a Golden State Warriors, Timino, 12786 at year. Uta Jazz, Emma LL Castimino, one of some Farin Massa, a Juma Anthony Davis, a Bona Martin, and Yatmagetwao, Wunya 35 points at a qua, not just a cookie, Anthony Davis, and some Juma Denara Lakers, and some Farin. Yemen after I'm doing common to so this final lap Yamra quick Yamra to us.
The other teams in La Liga we played before, the same. They also have players who are very fast.
So much experience. Fancy Di Maria BBI Boko. Ma Yancha Kumasimani Tifo and the Yanya Juman and Eduma Woho. Eduma Woho, and I will tell us on Awuti because weekend we Matunidi the Fantastic Four.
That's right.
Now, Matunidi the Fantastic Four, it means he said there were 4 crucial games in 4 top leagues. Ever so this weekend, they're very crucial. Say what's your man Nico?
Yeah.
French League ever my Le Classique. The Italian Serie A ever my the Derby d'Italia. England ever my Arsenal-Liverpool. Then there will be the El Clasico. Or the Spanish Premier La Liga. Now, these 4 games, me pesi enya ho adagye ne di ho nkomo ne etie nyoma bi e wa. Now, you shall say they free the French League. Fancy Di Maria. I think, sir, Le Classique has never been important as this year. The way I ever Paris Saint-Germain no Olympic Marseille game. In recent times, Yenimse ansa na Olympic Lyonnais ebeba in 2000s abe dominant in the French League and even in European competitions and yes omo gio but omo na raise the French flag high up in European competitions who is at 2000 early 2000s if you want I think that we will look at the most successful French League team when it comes to the league now Paris Saint-Germain and the only club to have won the UEFA Champions League in the French Ligue Olympic Marseille. And our French Cronim Zua, Omumi no fans no entra a sell to kwan kwa amanone say internationally no already these 2 teams are the most recognized French League clubs among for the donor help. But Emre Twemu, you know, Oben say PSG are dominant in the league because do na omo na edge. PSG betima the league na to aso ba ko mienu miensa enan. Obi antimi stop PSG. Ana PSG ensa so nyene nto aso kwawo. But in terms of getting quality coaches, quality players, Paris Saint-Germain and the French League are. If the player be beba so anase back of obi dia ba Paris Saint-Germain bet 200 million euros they are to La Liga officer Penema dos Santos Jr. Marcel Intimine.
Yeah.
It of late, meaning say the competitive nature between Olympic Marseille and PSG and my rivalry ni pedaye. But Emre bi so abayi no so no asanyoma ya dani because Marseille need you to me say PSG top players, PSG spend a lot, PSG money laundering, it's omo an artificial club as compared to Omo Olympic Marseille, they still believe say Omo and the traditional club of France. It is a matter of maintaining the integrity of the French Liga by being a traditional club that will be successful. And as a Paris Saint-Germain, and the musical to success na kwa kosi achiri. Intienei, emi baby bit my difficult. Some Marseille bit my compete Omo. Bayern had here. Fancy. The America said this year. Le Classique, no. And yeah, one of the finest I ever heard you say. Go check the French League. Now, PSG toss first on net or 20 points. Olympic Marseille toss miensa or 17 points. That means 3 points adrift. But go check it in terms of the table over the French League. Now, these two teams actually goes pa. Go check it almost standings. No, any the number of goals for Munina national. And Olympic Marseille has 21 goals. I consider 8. PSG has 25 goals. I consider 8. That means these two teams are the top scoring teams in the French League. Yes, some are even top scorers in the league. What check top scorers in the league now? Bakola and Edikan was 7 goals. Mason Greenwood no about Marcel Tosumienu was 6 goals. In terms of assist, and it's all checking on more assist do na Ediama these two teams now. Osman Dembele was 3 assists. Thomas Delemar. Then there's Amin Harit. Omunina 3 assists. So, checking the statistics of the French League these two teams. In terms of individual players, so these two teams. It's a Le Classique where I have bono. Edem Sonko. And almost our 2 coaches are Yakabwa Efa, Omumina, a believe and only philosophical coaches. Omuji 2 years say, I was a ball mobono, or mere dominant within their game, dominate their opponent, and make sure somebody mash or baby. It's a Roberto Di Zerbi, and Luis Enrique. Si a quality to the no to Senia. I think it says the PSG was Bakola, Marcel was Mason Greenwood. Why consistent? Se PSG was Osman Dembele, more Thomas Delemar. Esa wa Amin Harit. Se almost so Ewa John Neves, and I say more lean can in this particular team.
Some passports.
It is Le Classique this time around. Is giving us a bite of quality in terms of coaches no Mujinan chain. Giving us a quality in terms of players no Mujina Park.
Star.
But it is even and the quality is shared across the field. Yeah. And Bakonia overly dominant over the other. And check it this season, in terms of the league log now, the best home team in the league is Paris Saint-Germain. But Olympic Marseille and Kassane fear this season almost said that said away. On the league log, in terms of home points, out of the 3 games, no Mabonomukuta 5 points. But check it away from no in terms of Olympic Marseille, no money decline because out of 5 games, no Mukuta 12 points. That means if you know Olympic Marseille and who then share that this route to said Yomoko away. But these are the games Roberto Di Zerbi life. What would him from the Italian Serie A? And some of the the English Premier League, no, or no big games or ya dear pa. Baby, I'll be say, yeah, no one do money. So what was share the core teams on no more level? It was a Everton beat match and the Bear 4-0. Who wants a Wolverhampton Wanderers beat match? But so Oshia Manchester City, Oshia Chelsea, Oshia Manchester United, not Oshia Inter Milan, Oshia Juventus, Oshia most of these clubs now. And ho, I'm not trying to bobre so ni mnejuma. By then, omo matches we are na red card type him. It's a game where a gamer. Oh, team ekuto mumie no na. Me sure pass ene. Really better post mu. Michael Murillo, Leonardo Bellardi, Geoffrey Kondobia, Lilian Brazier, Mike Adamfo no. Andre Rabiot, Pierre-Emerick Højbjerg, Mason Greenwood, Amin Harit, Luis Enrique, then LY for PSG, William Pacho, Marquinhos, Akraf Hakimi, Nuno Mendes, John Neves, Vitinha, Warren Ezen, Zaire Emery, Bakola, Randall Kolomwani, Osman Dembele. Battle ni nyina be gina mfifio. Andre Rabiot on Pierre-Emerick Højbjerg. Then no about be Vitina Janeves, Zaire Emery. Workaholic midfielders. Players me know more they have enough experience to help Olympic Marseille. Then there's Paris Saint-Germain with these young guys or more quality of my battle. Then the quality of the wing play between Mason Greenwood and whoever is going to start at the left back, which is Nuno Mendes for Paris Saint-Germain. A both team to score. Omumi no ashe goals baby. It is a both team to score. And a game was over 2.5. Record bet me PM this particular game. For the past years, it has always been happening. Then Obabe say, in this instance, anytime goal scorer, call for Mason Greenwood, anytime goal scorer in this fixture, Ubetimi call Ede Ama Bakola against Olympic Marseille. Away from that game, fancy, more about the Italian Serie A. Over here, the derby, the Italian. We're Inter Milan, early Juventus in context of this discussion. I find me a new over raising the bar in terms of the quality of football more than in the last few years. Because they set a certain standard in terms of when I did the Italian Serie A and when they be shame. Juventus in the J2 also on to the Milan clubs in the shame. But what's the deal at the in the last Italian Serie A games, I have any leagues, I have any in 2 teams per and a team the league on man for 3 back in the J. Napoli, any AC Milan. Spalletti, no call with the 4-2-3-1 and a 4-3-3. Then Ubabenya AC Milan and Stefano Pioli. No, so call with the 4-2-3-1 and a 4-3-3. Inter Milan the 3 back in the G League in the Meboa. Juventus and Allegri no more 3 back. Even before Conte.
Some passports.
If you would understand, say, and then Thiago Motta has gone back to the 3 back system. Coming up against an Inter Milan side and also call with the 3 back system. By Ligue na Juventus one particular club assistance among and concede an away goal. Among what they know was super defensively. I would say they have the best defensive side in terms of the Italian Serie A. Also be here Inter Milan team now. Inter Milan in the last 19 games of in the Italian Serie A, Omo Lusuba Kope. AC Milan is shown by 2-1. Omo Shemaku 18. It's almost what they know so. It's the Italia this time around no, is coming into this discussion because of how 2 teams in Inano and what potential say afu the Italian Serie A on betimi agdesi omunaso. And in terms of defending quality, because we tell you say defense wins you titles, goals will win you games. Ebetimi adedi. Me jitumi say Inter Milan coach Feni Simone Inzaghi enough experience within the setup to see out this particular game, especially Abra Obofi. Juventus were the quality to score now. Fancy now this week, midweek game on boy, and I wonder Juventus bought only 1 shot on target against Stuttgart. Stuttgart bought 20 shots, don't on target. So it means that Juventus, in terms of the cutting edge, a one problem ne ya okakra. E was a Dusan Vlahovic momo mohumene so kakra. Yo de smo also mo pejo mo monim kakra. No mutiminya goals in the Juventus. Anya sa they could defend with their lives, but I think that when it comes to goal scoring, they will have a huge problem. Inter Milan with Jan Soma, Stefan Di Vrij, Alessandro Bastoni, Benjamin Pavard, Nicolo Barella, Piatore Zielinski, Henrik Mkhitaryan, Federico Di Marco, Matteo Darmian. Then you have Marcus Thuram and Lautaro Martinez. Up front with Anabaco Juventus, up front with Dusan Vlahovic, Francisco Conceição, Kenan Iodes, Kefren Thuram in the midfield, Nicolo Fagioli, Weston McKennie, Andrian Cambiaso, Danilo ne Pierre Kalulu. Because Bremen knew. But me to me is a very probable lineup against a good side like Inter Milan. Me sure say Gatti. Eba be come midfield, eba be ka defenders in one of my 3. To benya Gatti, Danilo, Pierre Kalulu at the back line. On corner 4 back to set your corner. The Champions League, because League not the 3 back nebo. And I will see a very good Inter Milan side. And the Papa one careful in this particular fixtures. We bet my fan watch a lot of goals. Secretary enough no. Di Marco. Di Marco has proven to be an influential player for the Italian national team and Inter Milan team no. And consistency has always shown that. So I believe that both teams to score in this particular game. Juventus be show goal, Inter be show goal. But this is a game at home 2-1. Imagine kakraka bebre. And anytime goal scorer, I make for Marcus Thuram. anytime goal scorer meko for Juventus no Eddie Ama Dusan Vlahovic. But fancy, o check these two teams na. In terms of Obia home record, any away record no. And no, and Emmanuel ma emuya den kakra. Edema obi obetima na adwen so obetima bibi ede tia ne yonko. O check here in terms of the home record, even Inter Milan enye so much better at home. On the home record table no, omoto so fourth. Fourth no omoto so no mabo 4 matches or more 9 points. Omo 10 goals are conceded 4. As compared to Juventus, who is the second best away side in the league. Second best away side in the league in the 3 away games no mabo no. Omo team na 6 goals, omo conceded back kura, almost 7 points. Which means omo draw back out of the 3. Omo ho den was so. They will score, but this is the first time in our away game we did 2 years Inter Milan at the ball beto much.
Okay.
In England, Liverpool body at here Arsenal. I may say Arsenal ankasa ne de bi ebobu Bukayo Saka abaso. Yes, Martin Odegaard ni ho no montimi nya hwe. But fancy, metianu mi say, me di 2 years say Arsenal biggest miss on menya this season. Enje Bukayo Saka be William Saliba. Yes. Yentamo defenders abaso. Yes, obi a wahye goal ni nyina yetumi apakodi na chi. Yenya wudani uyebuei. But so William Saliba impact awanya de ama Arsenal this season you would understand say or one quality as a red card no koditi a Bournemouth no. In the long run it will really hand Arsenal. He's decent in tackling, on a rough, disciplined, and was so great leadership qualities at the back line for Arsenal. So even on the league log, what check Arsenal in terms of their defending duties now. This season Ankasane Liverpool and what the best defensive side. Arsenal waba followed by Arsenal on Newcastle also. Because Arsenal have conceded 8 goals this season after scoring 15 goals. But Liverpool no watch 15 goals are conceded 3. It is okay the centre back and talk one England when better na. I feel we ejinani pam yenuntem. William Saliba and a Virgil van Dijk. By Saliba nisha, ana Saliba no so ball last season yehu. Ana this season you say Arsenal attack more and create more to say last season. But more defensive solidarity no. I ko hu Manchester City no. Ni nyina na Saliba na yebo na baso. Only who comes in to replace Saliba in the team. Fancy. It is a big question and a torment for Mikel Arteta. Meaning say Mikel Arteta be kan say bebre. Say they will fly. And to me fly say omo na ebo home. Are they going to attack Liverpool and omo attack Liverpool? Liverpool concede chances pa. Obi obeka just say Liverpool concede chances be oboa. But the difference between opponents and Liverpool ni jina say Liverpool players who team ni mo omo nya chances 2 or 3 omo the ball the be dey. Ebe to net.
Very clinical.
Very clinical. So Liverpool this season are more efficient in front of goal. Abra opponent say any Liverpool aboa come ya create chances ya say no Liverpool chances na wonya nyina no or body to net. It's Mo Salah, Darwin Núñez, Diego Jota, Luis Diaz. These guys, Kwadi Gakpo, Abba Mohamed, actually these lot of goals at the Liverpool against Chelsea. Oh yeah, Chelsea created a lot of chances. But Chelsea to me the ball net to net na there be. Liverpool created chances to say kakrebi, but the ball here dey at to net. It can Arsenal defense no prevent Liverpool from scoring enough goals. They say don't Manchester City na. And I say they will dominate or possess, try and wait. And I say Omobetama Liverpool the ball next your chance and Omabe recover. This is a test game for Arsenal, not a test game for Liverpool.
Samu.
Yes. This is the America say a test game for Arsenal. 1, they are missing Saliba, Makan Wasen. 2, Liverpool strikers and attackers are very efficient. They are tosomiensa. Arsenal Lankasa no ebetimi a dominating possession against Liverpool na last season. Arsenal dominating possession against Liverpool. A create enough chances. But then Liverpool ball no more no. Nanka first no passing and pressing. It's a because a game pressing. Omo ball no mabe press omo je ball na 1 2 3 passes panya na ball na net efficiency. But this time around, no, and slot the BB Srunkwasa become in terms of maintaining possession. It is also when you have the ball, be patient with the ball. And it is the PPP, possession, passing, and precision coming alongside with pressing. Make sure that this Liverpool team are effective when they have the ball and they're efficient when they create enough chances. Arsenal in the defensive line, high line on Boboana. Maybe you told me a pass that this is a game Arsenal back could defend it. To say the Omuyeti Manchester City. It won't be set back. And why would the bet master to the Arsenal? Yes, I mistake in Kobo Calafiori ni Gabriel Magalhaes. The team makers as a me so omu nyina left. So omu left. Arsenal obe press and one about the long passes now across the should not say ball na brewa. Left for no kwame no be for so me to defend because Italy koye be with Bastoni ni Calafiori. Okay, in the Euros. Et to tip and some here. Most coaches do not opt for those things in terms of the left. Julian Timber fit. What the Julian Barber bought centre back and height. Mimiji told me, he said, this is one of the games you could fit Julian Timber in the centre back role. Because Liverpool and more with strikers are, if I say area ability are dominant. See a bobo near a target near the bona besuso. And in all sense, no. Timber a good quality when it comes to area duels. Wait here, dear, ball jump. Na Calafiori needs to take it to the position elbow. Then Ben White, Ebebane, right back. Thomas Partey, Mikel Merino, and Declan Rice. A woman say fear na wobo. And I'll be here so be creating enough chances. But the way a Liverpool for the present, Liverpool targeted Casemiro and Liverpool targeted Bedford's radio. And slot will come fast to bet to the opponent. Thomas Partey is good when it comes to passing through tight spaces. But in terms of maneuvering his way through the tight spaces is where I doubt against a Liverpool team who are very effective when they are pressing. In this time, I don't press Declan Rice. I don't this Liverpool team, I won't press Obi, I won't press Thomas Partey. I'm the better target.
No better target.
I'm not better target in the power. I don't move bully no more in terms of Gravenberch and McAllister. Zobosla will drop enough and they will do said the Manchester United against Casemiro. Tell me Manchester United they both free a trade ban. Ombetime jam Manchester mama ties the late Lisandro ma bomb pass na free diaba. The moment I born be through Casemiro or pet the Liverpool bet trigger press. It is against Arsenal. I strongly believe that is what they are going to do. Omobeja Arsenal ball between Calafiori, Gabriel Magalhaes, Julian Timber, Ben White. Ombetime mama ball with Declan Rice. But the moment I born be Thomas Partey will say kukro, they will come and press. And this is a gamer. Bijitu mi passe. And Koma Jorginho. Any Declan Rice started alongside Mikel Merino. Kebetimi abuano. Ama nyometimi akuyi. Edi ama Arsenal. Liverpool will step up with Darwin Núñez because Omunim say Diogo Dalot. But Darwin Núñez no be or horn into. Anyhow, one person about this away game no. Be sure so the Kodigapu. Ever started the Luis Diaz, the Mohamed Salah to be able to play enough balls in behind the defensive line of Arsenal due to fullbacks no move to Arsenal. Big game. Both teams to score in this particular encounter. By game way, as a draw, Arsenal in big games now has been playing for draw if they know they can beat you. Normal in different games trying to get the results. 1-1 or 2-2. Anytime goal scorer for Arsenal, Meko for Gabriel Martinelli. Anytime goal scorer for Liverpool, Meko for Luis Diaz and Ase Mohamed Salah. Free that game now. Oba be PMU or Spain. The most informed team in Europe, Liverpool and Barcelona. Now Barcelona results no kwampo nya na or the lose game no. Ye nyina ebe ka hu say a rotation bi a Hansi Flick kwaye dey. Ekwaye na kofa asan nsem we nyina de bai. Ka me so say ka ba na ka e ka say ka Barcelona results
no running unbeaten.
Come running unbeaten. Ana asem de kofa bai. But omo inform ni nyina no Barcelona enhia attack bi ti say Real Madrid attack ni this season. Obi beka say Bayern Munich attack na ehu ana. Wo Michael Olise, wo Harry Kane. Na wo Serge Gnabry, na de omo be hia Barcelona. Me nya so say ehu Ken Rodrigo, Kylian Mbappe, and Vinicius Junior. Ye nyina nim say Vinicius Junior na nkasa na Ballon d'Or na ni da so say ne nsa betimi aka. Fancy Vinicius Junior, Kylian Mbappe, Rodrigo in this game. We'll have to prove a point and tell you, I say, the entire mobile and Vinicius Junior, made the Ballon d'Or there, almost so one kind you. But you name himself, I didn't know what the amount.
Vinicius.
One gamer, Obesa, yen won't be say, me person me dictionary, I say, I deserve to win the Ballon d'Or. So it is a big test for the back line of Barcelona. But it is also another test for the Real Madrid attack to exploit Barcelona high line on the ball. Carlo Ancelotti has become dynamic kakra nowadays. Okay, so against Manchester City will defend it. I don't hate on counter attack. Now with this Barcelona team, they will have to and Barca this season and matches be on board with the high line. Real Madrid Becca say, "Hey, I do where they are paying because Vinicius Junior, Kylian Mbappe, and Rodrigo players be what type of highlight tell my wasubeti my heshi." But question na me busa me honi say, "Emre bi ana atwa Vinicius must step up in the El Clasico." And you know who boss a lot of goals the Real Madrid. Na why na boss passes in the man of Toni Kroos. In the absence of Toni Kroos, is this a game where we sacrifice say one of the defensive midfielders? Be a number call with Camavinga and Luka Modric. And also best take with Tchouaméni and Camavinga just to make sure somebody may defend the Barcelona. Then who is going to give those incisive passes? They be a say Jude Bellingham. The highest quality and I say Adia Jude Bellingham Damus Ronco. And the ability to drive through tight spaces from the middle of the park. Not the ball through Mikabe 20 years, 30 years. Not the Aquapium opponent half. But on your incisive playmaker, obetimi ball one through pass. Menka say ontimi nyebi obetimi aye, but that is not his extreme quality. The quality power ye denim ni na ho ade ne kon obetimi aba battle e dey move transitionally. And omo going to counter attack obetimi transitive ball quickly all by himself abra or glide past 2 or 3 players in the middle of the park dey akọ. It is when and the final pass. Amabo na kwa animu amabo na kwa di either Vinicius or Mbappe and also Rodrigo.
Okay.
I believe this is an El Clasico. For some time now, near underrated the competition due to the quality and what these players, man, as players are not modeba. But I think that this is the time. Emre due to the form and players Ekuta Barcelona. Emre due to the form. Any resource I Ekuta Real Madrid. Emre due to the quality of some 2 players. When Vinicius on the other half, no, Lamine Yamal. Now, Kodano, it told be a Madrid, me say the age in the Bruni age in the because Adrina Kodan de Bobono, Stronko. Let me say, ne, a Juma or Homa fellow Mendy pa. But fellow Mendy, I did my Real Madrid for GDN say. Some fellow Mendy no, or Con anima on Yadi. But Okaso, only no Bisun on Takina and a Juma ye pa. Real Madrid players in the crowd, only didn't come on. I interview, be a catch of the training grounds. Nipan and Chin at the pa. And fellow Mendy. It's a Yamal and a Mendy. Then Vinicius, and then Arao only one because you name himself Barcelona. The common Real Madrid said the battle is between Vinicius and Arao. But Arao only one. Whenever Julius Koundé. Another big test for Julius Koundé. You name say Argentina at the World Cup or France. You who had that big games awabo. But this is also another test against a Ballon d'Or contender. I would do to me say when you gamer it will be so almost open. But Barcelona has more goals in the La Liga this season, no more 33 goals. Which means and a year Denya and I'm not watching and anyway, a year Denya Barcelona be go.
Barca Benya go.
A year
Denya Santiago Bernabeu.
The top scoring team in the Spanish La Liga.
Okay.
Statistically. So what is going to prevent Barcelona from scoring? And Real Madrid is watching there say omo chiro hono, omo concede against Dortmund, against teams be crowded to me as a Real Madrid company can concede. They concede. And I've always said it here, say Real Madrid is winning. But a certain problem they need to solve, which is their back line. It may say their arrogance in the transfer market could be their downfall in terms of not getting a centre back that could come in and deputize someone more now to improve what they have. Barca will score. But as to how Barca will also keep a clean sheet against Bayern, we also Bayern feasty on their high line. What shows is that Real Madrid cannot also feast on their high line.
Yeah, because
Real Madrid will also score.
Players on more pace.
Real Madrid will also score. But me, I'm a TA. Barca Sheffield go, Barca be winning game.
Say Barca Sheffield go.
Barca be winning game.
Barca be far win.
Barca be winning game. They both team to score. Anytime goal scorer Vinicius Junior. Anytime goal scorer Mekwa Yamal in this particular encounter against Real Madrid. Fancy. And then El Clasico are being so cool. And I think we are going to have the quality that we need. The rest, na remember results on the soccer club in Famaye. Then no kwa kucha, no hu dwumadia obetimi di. Aston Villa ebesho Bournemouth ofie. Ye di to me as a Manchester City beshe Southampton. Manchester United air travel akwa West Ham. Fancy Eric Ten Hag kasa ne dorso. Ene ne nkomodi ne dorso. Na onim say enei asamba ko mama ye din kakra me hu say Eric Ten Hag sack ne be dey. My Keegan Abeka story. My Keegan is very reliable when it comes to stories. Kobe Manu ni Ghana to see omo from Manchester City playing. Abro mo ko Ballon d'Or ceremony. Because Pepena ni sika 7. Now odi na chance on between 17 million pounds. So you only hope that something will change. But I believe say the new low Manchester United Berrichi e so mbema lepete ga show. Me say the new low Eric Ten Hag and Manchester United back form. When I West Ham, I saw win this particular game. If Manchester United cannot win this game, Memedi Kaka say Eric Ten Hag has reached his limit. There is nothing new he's going to add to this Manchester United team. They are all either say Bayi and also bet me to work in your market KTB. And yes, a very difficult game. But Manchester United over 0.5 against West Ham in this particular year.
Okay.
Anytime goal scorer, call for Rasmus.
Whoa, Meza, Mate, my brought my class a report. One mum, and chair them Betway quotes, Ebe Mamonti, live on Sompa TV, live on Facebook, and I feel live on radio, Ebe Bobo. So, Jama Mike, Ebe Mo, we ever messages send him Betway quotes. No, Mike.
Before Semesha say, I think we need to sound this caution. I have been reading several missing person reports on social media. There's a way Pioko school and mostly it's dominated by Ma and Kwada. Please say for guardians of kids fear. This is the time I was here in Brepa. So we'll buy P so school was man or cotadi but crab already is there on any papa no moko I think it should be a chimota more. No kwakotwadi and any papa of the pizzeria or top pizza. I don't know cotton one back besinde or man papa the girl is missing. Yeah, so seriously, AI is too rampant. And the moment it gets to that stage, it looks like we need to be very attentive and we need to also monitor closely the movement of young Kodano. And how we are Koda when you pick a crack. And 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, they call Obana Bema. For which at least let one person you trust know location or call. Very crucial. We are not in good times. If you read a lot of reports about missing people, missing persons, they also taking it serious. So parents, guardians, even for elder siblings, I'm with you only aketwa, ma wenin kone ho. Hupa, yama yenimbre. But that aside, the last Barca coach winning the El Clasico debut was Gerardo Martino, Tata Martino. Exactly. October 26th, 2013. That was the last time a Barca coach winning the El Clasico, whether home or away, as in a debut game or ball. Ono Kobayen, Ono winning is in 2013. There have been other coaches who have also passed through the system, but they have failed to win. Yebenya Luis Enrique. Yebenya Ayeway. The current coach of Athletic Bilbao, Ernesto Valverde. Yenya Kike Setien, Ronald Koeman, Xabi. Omuyina Befasi Nimo, they could not win. So, Hansi Flick, with a remarkable start under Barca, become the first coach since Tata Martino to win the Clasico debut. Fancy, I'm running Krabian a betcha, but I know Wahumwa, as on a betcha Waquentu. Saquentu ne Tamalena, Okonafu, Lautoeno. Damango pen a bit me do a draw, you will not get to your destination. So Ahobuano and your better day home come on. Let's start with this. El Clasico, Barca's DDI. DDI near the dynamism, directness, intensity. Under Hansi Flick, Barca are taking a new shape. This was similarity. There was similarities be a what team way compared to previous Barca teams who dominated normal. But under Flick, the directness of their play, it adds an extra layer to openly discuss this Barca team and then look at what they are doing right and then perhaps what could happen. One, the DDI, about with the attack. In terms of attack, Barca shed 33 goals in 10 league games. The last time a team, La Liga, replicated this was Madrid, 2014-2015 season, 33 goals in 10 games. Then Barca and Ancasa 2008-2009 under Pep Guardiola, Omoje Treble, no, they also were able to contribute this number. But how are they able to do it? A lot of factors contribute to that. But I want to pick two central defenders that Barca use, and their role in how Barca are able to attack with that dynamism and directness, and they're able to get the results that they get. Pau Kubasi, Inigo Martinez. Yes, Fatia Fatan Kroma, ways we looks like more qualities, it complements each other. Inigo Martinez is a good passer of the ball. The strength is always brought to bear when the ball is at his feet. But he is not as precise and progressive in his passing than the Kubasi here. In Tidiana Kubasi here, Kubasi need to me pass the ball without fear. He's able to pass progressively. And also he's able to pass short circuit once, and then he's able to get success from it. So an excellent passing rate. Inigo Martinez needs to passes in my but no. Switching play. In Tebia ball no right, he has switched the about left. Our left, he has switched the Akoye Nimpa. Onosu Nimie. In Tobumi no Maka Bomua, they are doing the distribution works and helping the build-up play of Barca in an excellent manner. Build-up play, if you underestimate the importance, then you will not really understand why certain teams are placing emphasis on it. Build-up play, D teams in Yano. To Real Madrid is almost Toni Kroos. He was the orchestrator, helping with build-up play. With Barca's two of Kubasi and Inigo Martinez, they've sorted their build-up play. And even without an identifiable defensive midfielder or Wodino, these are catering for that and then helping things to move smoothly. How do they do this? Check it, most passes in the La Liga. They are defenders. Normally they should be there.
And you're 6'4" no crown yes,
David. They are topping for most passes in the La Liga. Oye no free mua. They way almost see ball no. Ama what the other players in our team name and say Obia pick different roles. So watch check here. The dynamism now me boss no. Jules Koundé can play as a third centre back when Barca are starting their build up. When they progress, he can quickly switch to an advanced fullback. Rafinha, you bet me a born within the 10 area, but he's also a force winger. And yet this season, and Kamnim says me about force winger. Emmanuel effective, sir. You have Pedri with freedom to move around the pitch. And then Kwaya has a flag after the team. Now, what Inigo Martinez and then these guys do to help with their build-up play, they say, Kubasi Nikita Boa, they push it through. Obebo pass ne dia fat said the bia wo de ahoma esina panie. Wo de exactly the point. So it helps a lot. Anything as I check the whole of Europe. Now we check teams are omobo through passes pa. Barca na that show. Oh. Yeah, Barca are the team on the best success rate in terms of through balls. Air ball. And they are a opponent in a half. And they have succeeded in most of these things. And check where they come from. Mostly it is coming from the wing area. But what happens? They dominate or populate the central areas. There will be a lot of players moving without the ball and then finding positions. A opponent, in the structure, amana disoriented kakra. Juma has a flick. Adding the team. Now, when they are moving the ball, and that's the way we are center backs in Inti. Or need the comfort of Obi to say Sergio Busquets or a press resistance and to Upiano cry a beha drink on to me Upianas and Hana drink or bet to make it taboni de evade. Where many are typical center backs, they don't have the dribbling and the press resistance qualities in this. So they are directing their passes into Ayasana and my ball circulation a quantum. So if you compare last season Barca to this season Barca, last season their ball circulation was less quicker than it is now. Okay. And just as Jabi a bad coach, and Jabi ni mejumane here. But what it means is that this time around, and now how they build up Ninti, they are able to quickly move the ball. And when they move them, mostly it goes to the wing areas and then it gets back into the central areas. And to picture back on the two Kubasi Yama pass. Okay. So the two should be clearly. It is a quick switch. Check the movement of Jules Koundé.
It won't change so crowd.
The moment the ball gets to Lamine Yamal, he will cut in. Kunde goes to fill up. So, or Statuwa as a third center back. But in a matter of seconds, Kunde will switch from a third center back into an advanced fullback, our wing area. Lamine Yamal be cut in. Check Lewandowski. He's not offside, but he will move and find a way, and then players now dotty the circular form. They will populate the central areas. Eventually, one of them or two of them will be able to pick up runs. Why am I share by and a
And so when Finfine be our ball to a double pivot, no more be four.
They will populate the central areas. And since they have defenders who can pass easily, Kubasi ni betimi abo pass their fan Finfine beko. Inigo Martinez ni betimi switch yako wings. So their play is dynamic. So Shadrach my Barca chances created. Now you can see that in almost every layer, left, central, and then right, Ubehu say they have numbers add up to what I am talking about. For Barca, any more chances created. You can see about the left side, they've created a sizable number of chances. About central, so they've created a sizable number of chances. And then the right side, so the same thing. But in film, a dominating power. So check this. Attacking third, chances created. 34 chances created from the left. 41 created from the right. And then 53 created from central areas. So it is always difficult to play against such teams. Fancy, it is pressing. If you press them, especially from the point of starting on build up now, then you disorient their build up play. Barca against Bayern. Your first 50 minutes, Bayern. So Bayern got 2 goals in that opening stretch. Baku Yaji offside, Hurricane. And the second one, a goal. How did it happen? They forced a high turnover. It was their pressing and their structure. But with Madrid, they don't. Because the shape of Madrid, Assisa, team need the equilibrium that it needs to have that balance and then an effective pressing structure. Omobe push the akodi winning ball. Mbappe, Vini Jr., they are good players. Omo explosive speed, but omo use omo speed, omo pace, omo use no dodo for attacking options and attacking actions. So you will not see Mbappe in an aggressive manner, sort of press ball.
Okay.
Vini Jr. in an aggressive manner, sort of press ball.
So
the first point, they don't have the personnel to do that. So it makes me believe, then it allows Barca to pass the ball from that first point of their build-up play. Onya Nesaswa, you've given Inigo Martinez enough time to switch. Wama Eye Paul Kubasi enough time to play progressive passes either through the middle or through the wings. Into Madrid answer, which I doubt will happen because Ancelotti sunim pressing a trap. Usumefidi na nipa ninya free we fidi anymore. You are exposed somewhere within departments of your team. So how will Madrid be able to cater for how they will press Barca and disrupt or maybe that play? It is one factor that will determine the outcome of this game. Personally, if you're more, yes, I think they have. This has not been a very good season for Jude Bellingham in terms of the attacking metrics. But Obabe checking the defensive numbers now, they keep increasing. And in the last 2 games, against Celta Vigo, against Dortmund, you appreciate the amount of work Jude Bellingham put in to make sure Madrid are winning the ball. So defensively, he's helping. And the reversal of roles, last season, not about more offensive, either as a CM or a force forward. This time around, he's playing more as a CM. Then he combines with left midfield, at times, sparingly, or as a central attacking midfielder or a right winger. So this season, he rose, and that explains for the defensive contributions now making. Uyo free Federico Valverde. I think some Madrid war a history be say when they lose a key midfielder, it affects them. 2003, when Makelele Hokoyeno, it affected the balance of the team. And then Madrid dominated with Omo Galacticos era. And it coincided, Makelele Kono coincided with the coming on board of David Beckham. Toni Kroos, it has coincided with the coming on board of Kylian Mbappe.
Okay.
They are different players, different eras. But what I'm saying is, always when a key midfielder leaves the Madrid setup, it affects the general balance of the team. But unlike in 2003, none of more Carlos Queiroz. With Ancelotti, they have a coach who is not dogmatic. Ancelotti didn't say Enrique, and maybe to some extent Pep Mubia. Yeah, the boss system say I was a son never. Ancelotti, why as a chameleon? He has a chameleonic attitude and a character about him. He adapts to situations, so he will find solutions when there is a need to find a solution to address issues with team name. So that is for Ancelotti. So I think problem now bano. And now this issue a Madrid team name they have the right manager to deal with it, but time is not their best friend. But our personnel almost only and why do I say this? Madrid are mature bedroom stage be say Omatias yes a football. No. You don't need to dominate for the entire duration to win. A moment. So you need to seize the moment and then create the outcome or define the outcome of the game. Against Dortmund, a very poor first half. They seized the moment in the second, turned things around, and they won. Okay, Madrid will not always be lucky, but a number of times they have seized the moment when the odds were against them, and also same the times they weren't able to seize. So there is a team that is matured enough, and with Ancelotti, even if they don't have a first-person structure, I think with mid-blocks, where they have an effective midfield structure to disorient Barca populating the central zones in Nebebua. And personnel Ben America. So what you are many? Camavinga, or Valverde, or Bellingham. You have 4 midfielders to find a structure from. It means you are giving up the game. But with an effective counter-attacking system, and they have the men for that.
But the Abbas are populated.
But
some boys in the
yes, and when they win the ball, quickly we initiate a counter. Madrid have the personnel for that. So Unya Mbappe, Unya Vini, so more press wapeje. Ombeja out the ball in the Abba. But the moment Odibe Pia when you out the Bebano, bam, we will not allow you enough time. So Madrid might not effect a high press. Ye Pia Kwenim. They can choose to do a median one. In fin wa ye chiao. And that is possible because of the personnel now be bold, Chouameni, Camavinga, Valverde, and then Jude Bellingham. Now, the issue with Madrid is and in this game, why I suspect Madrid ain't kitabo ni bebreno. It is because build up player in America. Madrid ain't need personnel for that. With Toni Kroos, he offered you that assuredness in possession. And to Kroos bet me a piaba. When Madrid are in possession and they want to build up, he acts as a third centre back into Oba Obeche, then he starts distribution. But Rudiger, a progressive passer. Militao, a progressive passer. And none of the midfielders but Luka Modric. And there was a Nakinibi. But in this game, if you are starting someone like Luka Modric, Medica Kajon said Pedri, I want more of a freedom to move around. Or more the Pedri, Ebe J. Luka Modric will say, a flea once no a do it is our better and it might be disastrous for him. So in this game, Semi Luka Modric start here. I'll be very surprised because Barca central zones now nip a Domo Hono, Femi Lopez, Dani Olmo, whoever, or even Pedri. They will torment whoever becomes the orchestrator of Madrid or more build up. Or
cover distance.
Exactly. And I mentioned 3 things: DDI. Directness, dynamism, and intensity. Intensity for Barca is about omo press. So they press high. Akomia mentioned it. Omo pinya bar. Then they set offside traps. And in fact, this season across Europe, Team BN who more offside trap success than Barca. 67. So shout out the graphic necessary also. So almost set a trap no. In the trap they are mostly a Taichi Bela. No me pinya benim to win the ball. And when they win, quick circulation. Or more quick ball circulation, initiate attacks, directness, no more junior. Anyway, so they provoke you. And Madrid need to play your ball and boom. One pass be no BM to set the Toni Kroos in a BNT. I think it will be a bad tactic if Madrid decides to have more of the ball at the expense of Barca. Or Munjai born in Fama Barca.
And see, say be out the obey possess and Madrid in Jama FC Barcelona. Now the Moyana Jude Monchi or Moon Finfin.
be tactical.
Mbappe Vinia at tears womachi.
And one, because 1v1, the Barca defenders are not top notch. They only need to defend in structure.
Okay.
Now the moment they are pressing you, now try winning ball was central zone. Wow, what Chabiegu? Until you are left with either two layers, Casado and whoever will support as a midfielder. Then the back line. Kun de Kwa, they lose in terms of the right wing. Bao de Kwa, they lose in terms of the left wing. You have players with pace, Vini and Mbappe. So running into space is easier. So better than Obe started Madrid no Obe bo papa we chire. You play aesthetically now they impressive. Then Obe working the aquarium system nache. Dan sa Obe ja omo. No mo mpia ball en fambra. En fin for no akomo mia. So it is about Ancelotti and how experienced he is setting the traps and getting them. So it will be an exciting game to watch. Another one. Fancy the ultimate pass. Spain for the kind of ultimo pass. Now the final pass now Obono crucial. The final passes for most of these Barca players, especially their defenders, I am not exquisite. I can't say same from Barca for Madrid. Check Rafinha. Make runs on the shoulder of defenders. Need a trap pass back with their tum diamano. So final passes, it will also be crucial in a game of this nature. But as I said, it will be an interesting game. Barca have history to protect. Madrid have history to equal. A lot of storylines about this game, man, there. History to protect here. Madrid will have many unbeaten games. 42. Or 43 on the Barca pay. Barca will not like that. So they will want to break that chance. Say your first team, I stop Madrid from doing this. So it will be an exciting game. And a lot of players. But I think if Vini Jr. deserves the Ballon d'Or, which has been cemented. But I think the icing on the cake will be when he takes this game and then delivers for the Bernabeu faithful. It will be the best crowning moment. Barca our players. I'm not taking anything away. Lamine Yamal, a bright talent. Rafinha, fine form. But I am tempted to be biased and say, so all players or me big game players, Madrid for will be saying Barca for.
Okay.
I'm tempted to be biased. You can take it however. Mbappe, World Cup final, no ball hat-trick. Vini Jr., Champions League final, no season moment. I have not seen much from the Barca individuals who are excelling this season.
Okay.
Seizing the moment in the big games. The only big game I remember them seizing the moment was against Bayern. But this is a reject Bayern side under a rebuild under Vincent Kompany. And it's a pass me say me kwane ho. When I made me need as when you now to no say emremuya dinya obe decide game na mamia. Anka meko for Ismaelado ni nia dombote e wo house of folk. So ni house of folk no. No mo she fita or Madrid no. Indeed, I would love Dombotene Ismaelado to seize the moment and deliver for me. So it will be an exciting game. You have missed out on a lot. There will be tactical aspects.
Bonus year 7.
Yeah, there will be
before light bedum.
So I am just praying the it will be an exciting game and it's one that you must not miss. I spoke about two central defenders for Barca. Let's switch corners and move two central defenders for Liverpool. The Liverpool you see, you build the foundation of your team. Say a defense now, fancy you might have a top-heavy team. Let's attack near heavy, but defense Chelsea now. The difference between why Chelsea cannot challenge really for the title is they don't have a strong defense. And attack but with Liverpool, and then the Arne Slot here, Akomia talked about the PPP. Precision, passing, patience. It all comes down to control. If you control your temper, you are able to seize most of the occasions that happen and then handle them better. If you control your emotions, you're able to have control over your life. As a bema condo ya piles or fire. You can't control your edges. Exactly. So controlling football is just as in life. If you're able to control games, you have a better say in the outcome of the game. And in an slot, the Odiabano, Liverpool and the club was a heavy metal operating team. That was the idea of Klopp. You won't fault him for that because it brought success. Success underlined. But with Arne Slot, he's taking a different approach with the same crop of players. And so far, it has yielded the result. Unim say, Liverpool have the best defense in Europe. The whole of Europe, almost top leagues now. Liverpool have the best defense.
Yes.
So far this season, 3 goals conceded in the Premier League. Champions League, 1 goal conceded. So nobody comes close in terms of defensive. But who are the people at the heart of it? Ibrahima Konate and then Virgil van Dijk. Exactly the point. It's true. So they are dominating aerially. And that is how come Liverpool are yet to concede a goal from set piece this season. Aerial duels, dominance. They are there. And if Shadrach gives us the graphics, anyway, best aerial duel success rate, Premier League for this season, Ibrahima Konate in the dash row, Ryan Gravenberch in the top 2, then you find Virgil van Dijk in the top 10. So Liverpool have players who are aerially dominant and helping the team in that aspect. But it will not just be limited to that. It is the consistency as well. Konate and Van Dijk now batch this season. Who first game now, Konate and start here. Kwanzaa and start here, Konate be in second half now. From the rest, in the top competitions, they have played together. So they've built a certain rapport and it's moving the team on to do what they are supposed to do. Emma team against Arsenal. Arsenal are a set-piece dominant side. A team that is also preventing concession of goals from set pieces. A team that is boasting the best defensive numbers this season. How will Arsenal cope? Oh, there is no Saliba. But Mikel Merino have already explained the kind of contributions he gives during set pieces due to his aerial dominance. And the Arsenal will always try to use set pieces to try and affect the outcome of this game. Big games, and then Arsenal there against Spurs, that is what they used. Against Man City, that is what they used. Because Arsenal then who said they need to be streetwise. And yes, Omobo park the bus. But football, the way I say in fancy, and your ball behind the coach about the paper. This game, if Liverpool beats Arsenal this weekend, they won't win the league because of that. But it is Arsenal that need to at least not make the gap wide until almost preventing defeat. And they will not come and open up and give us a beautiful game. They will play a streetwise game where they need be, especially when they are missing their 2 creative players. So Bukayo Saka to me are fine. But if it does not play, it means Saka and Odegaard are out. And when these 2 are out, it stifles Arsenal in terms of creativity and how best they can play. So a lot will be at stake for Liverpool and how they are defensively solid. And perhaps without William Saliba too, Akomi has already mentioned it, the better Arsenal team Nepal. Saliba in and out of the Arsenal team in games. You can check the winning rate as well. Goals conceded a raisy. Shots conceded a Kosro. Points per game a Demeneshe. So Saliba has become a central piece in the Arsenal team for defensive reasons and also for the team in terms of how they're able to get results at a course. So his absence will be heavily felt. But I think Arsenal's problem will not be about how they defend. It will be about how they create. Because Konate, Van Dijk, and the Liverpool defensive setup have limited options for opponents or Mushia quality chances. If you don't get quality chances, your chances of scoring are limited. So it will be about the creation of Arsenal. Sports. And without Saka, without Odegaard, maybe Saka might play. But if they miss out on these 2 players, they will have to fall on set pieces. Inter placing emphasis on Liverpool defending set pieces and the aerial dominance of Van Dijk and Konate and even Ryan Gravenberch. So I think it will be an exciting game. Very tactical. That is a Classico, no? Classico ni the okay. But for Liverpool Arsenal, it will be too tactical. And me enjoy the beauty of it. And then maybe you might get a bit nasty. tackles back fly. So you can look out for the cards and everything. But I think it is a game I don't see Liverpool losing. A bad thing, so we'll lose a game now.
On the road.
Right, a bad day.
Okay.
But I also praise my former team, Newcastle back with Chelsea. I want Newcastle to win for.
I said they never can kick. They
can. Or meet me with Chelsea. Chelsea defense.
Mate. I don't know Bana. Say Newcastle be Chelsea be bo.
Oh, I'm praying. When you measure Bonnie
when I am ya within a full time to do.
Oh, yeah.
Full time to do. Black Stars mommy I suit through.
Oh,
no, yeah. What Mate? I am reading come real quick. And we are still live on Sompa Final Lap. Live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Live on Facebook. And still live on TV. My main moment and my Betway. Proudly sponsored by Betway Courts in year 4. Here because I was a boys in the first car. Now classic so I dream mu nya bi nhwe because they announce be mu light back off. Now say about 6 and be mu dey adum. Well, our first code 10296877. 10296877. Okay, it's number boy, you know what I'm saying? The winning numbers are well, code 2102B 1F 5F 102B 1F 5F. Third code Betway 102478 4F 102478 4F. And the last code I have 10251095. And I repeat 10251095. www.betway.com.gh. I bet responsibly. Traninyansem memfa obisika odiama sefa to mfa nkonko twa nkwa isika ni brebekam enti kakra bia ho beso bia na de twa faketo abede kese no aye Betway. Yes ye bana I am brana ye man begin komo ma start from me George and Adumedi say wa o dia George me say bibia fine a long time on so
na wo se Barca and Real Madrid wana e wini wa hi
me de ne de me na so me de ne ye de popcorn e ho e do ben mu bia ana wo kwama hwan
oh there be mami e coaching is that best of what coaching because teams be at the disappointing part
that's right
yeah and I thought his analysis was on point so the Chelsea issue said
that's right
fantastic attack team is beginning to look like a good one but defense is really bad. It's really you better coaching yourself because coaching is sports club and then I say I'm support and then me club now.
That's right.
Nyami adum you know ya Ghana coaching sports club named after Ghana coach one him say Juma Obo Ghana ha nenye easy Ike Afrane inti ya Samba Ghana last year by be scouting kakra.
Okay.
Ya Samba Ghana this time no ya pese ya start a project or her because a success now you enjoy or UK no nyama yetumi aye players so metumi signing for Manchester City, Manchester United, Liverpool near there no we feel said this is the time a bit me start a project or her we are continuing the legacy of Ike Afrane because Ike Afrane now a coach who was concerned about talents going so far everywhere in the country of Eche and Kuala Lumpur football so we are trying to continue that legacy into many group number Mami introduce you mo say
very necessary pa.
Nya ye the same introduction. Mami start say wa ha. Juma na mafo juma na re. Na papa boku no patches enga. Okay, it's Mami starting wa ha. Founder of the club.
Okay.
Founder of Coaching Sports Club
in
the UK. Emmanuel Afrane Jr. Onoye, son of Ike Afrane.
That's right.
Yes, son of Ike Afrane.
That's right.
Na mekoha Andy later a Manchester United coach.
Okay.
Or in charge of the U9s to U21s. And see, a Manchester United fan be wahana say ope info Ewan Kuala, especially Kuala na say Boba Manchester United, Kobe Menu, BBN Andy Hall. But aside so ye Juma or Manchester United, no, you're attached to Coaching Sports Club.
Okay.
And that's the beauty of Yang Coaching Sports Club. No? Your coaches are almost attached to Yang from Manchester City and Manchester United. Into 2-1 because they are on the pitch trying to get ready. Bako feed Manchester United, James upon Bako Sophie and Manchester City. Now, yeah, can Ghana project there. Now you are Ghana boss. And see Ghana project, Ghana boss no. And Papa Neti hey, you know you Ghana handle the Ghana project.
That's right.
So person you're part of the Ghana project there. Na boss in here. And he said, yeah, need some public partnership here. And I be in so a fantastic job.
That's right.
Now, or a big man.
Oh yes, yeah.
So I want to or you a big man. It's introduction and it's after
nice.
What fire questions?
George Matimedase. One mamini can share from free a big man away now. Brown rookie can okay, mamini can brown. So I feed you and say now and she share and be see at the same.
Okay, Fancy. I'm say okay. I'm say you a lot of plans. I never be behind the scenes. Before I ever down, the idea as George kind said, you be develop talent. Into your registration, your players you are like you are working with. We started the process back in the UK. I'm last week, Coach Uzia Kenten. As well, boy, with the screening of some players. To see, and your players are trimming down to get the base. So, no, you're best at team no coach in Ghana. So that's how far our plans are advanced.
Okay, so I don't know the I
know you'll be busy.
Okay, so I shall see.
And Opokwari Park.
Okay.
From 1 o'clock. The selected players now. You are from Modada.
Okay. So more say be a fan of mobile players so being funny boots and justify
yeah, behind the scene. And a free. Initially free. Inti Oma, Oma Casa, like Oma register no. Like you already have the team. Inti and then winning what is expected of them. Into coaches so you have sessions and then after that you like almost decision on BTK. You have a selected few. You don't be
I found a baby mono. On say the reason why you behind the scenes to say you per se making sure say we are investing in the right kind of players. Okay,
that's
because
that's right.
A free into your select so you're part of coaching Ghana projects now. Yeah, Baba Shewa copy himself be a professional footballer. And I idea.
Are you serious?
Yes. Until I'm casting so much man but twabano because I no found that.
Oh yeah.
No ne papa ekita legacy. Ne papa legacy.
That's right.
We are running with
That's
it.
That's right.
But I just wanted to sound that say yeah and I said it's 3 days yeah baby say selected na cast we can Ghana project and what body so we are going to make sure that we be a professional player. Once I will be tia sama yebeka. Now for BB I be more film. Yeah. We'll make sure say we be a professional player. And not only that, so yebeshe be more opportunities. So mami Toma founder, not founder, and in the background now.
Okay.
Intia. Because
I did know capital intensive because and no be on mobile they were brow sebi one pen for so the moment as in Nipan Benya Papa say me fa sebi obi ba me show ball no about benyini obo okra na oye papa na onsan hwese dachi bi nipa no ebebo na bibi so e dey na beka wan come say no after be a father dey nyina chi legas no be say on to bibi atisa so.
Like George said, me person me talk about legacy. So I think a lot of people don't know me about background.
Okay.
But the likes of Persia Pia, Patrick Alote, Atapami Yampo, I'm in that one bed. So growing up, me papa, that was what he did. There's a lot of things that he's done behind the scenes. Our head players will be, and at the end of the day, for me, I feel like that's the little we can do. That's what we can give back to the community. Yeah. Into your journey home, and yes, you're back. Last year, it was on pilot basis, and you can say expectation should be measured. I think a lot of people thought, say, UK. It doesn't work like that. Won't mean for say be Akola, won't mean for Akola UK or less than 16 unless a parental guidance and everything. Until we thought about it, we've really thought about it.
Sompa Sports.
Because of the success we've had in the UK, Man City and Man United. In Shankanya, say coaching is the only club of bringing Man City and Man United together.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So last season we had 17 boys almost signing for professional academies. 7 for Man City, 3 for United, 2 for Liverpool. So it's been so successful within 3 years, but that's because your principles, your structures, and our decisions are not going to be based on emotions. I grew up here, so I know. Say, no. There's a reason why they expect about.
Wow.
Coaches were almost coach Man United, and Man City coaches. I just want to add one thing. Say, last season, for 2 years, City profiled 20,000 kids for them to sign. Profile boys, hopes different 20,000 and Colano profile out of 20,000 and almost signing 22 normal signing 10 free Manchester area, 10 or 5 free coaching, so 22 boys and 5 were from coaching. United signing 14 and 3 from coaching, so we know what we are doing. Consistency. Next season, boys on signing 8 from coaching. Next year, on signing, they've been offered pre-contracts already.
Oh,
so it works. We know what we're doing. So, like George is saying, there are so many things I share. You share a little bit of education. You share mental health. You share there are things that the coaches are looking for. So we are not looking. We are looking for raw talent, but we are looking for a more future. They can make it. The plans, and they say, "Nyami Adoma." Once in a while, every summer, be a summer camp or UK. See this year, say Nkola 2 last year, scout from Accra. Omobai came for a couple of weeks to see how the opportunity to go to Man City to play there, and and see, there were a lot of plans, but say Nyami Adoma coaches don't catch him say 2 per crown a year, 2 need to start. So there's a reason why Empe said you probably brave about. And that's not to say boys and you're picking they are the best. That's why country director have. There are things on behind the scenes on try add to it. But no can say will be anya there. Ya boka ni aba had but you find
so more hand pekana because they say they na the onu chairman can say must select players in the data. And as you know, CBO that's say you justify.
So let me add that. So Papa Frania or the Michael or mini to coach Banono.
Oh nice. Yeah.
Coach Banono. Let me add that. But so you did to be an working with.
Okay.
Your partners. You need right to dream for collaborate a lot. Into your screening and on the back of what people are telling us. Almost screening. That's why the coach will take into be a very experienced FIFA instructor, CAF instructor, very experienced former national team coach, former technical director, FA. See a man so bad and we're screening. But you need him there,
yes.
Into the coaches in so down. Into your in addition to what coach will take into your coaches so bad into Andy, so I'm sure he'll be able to explain to you exactly.
Andy, I catch him say a day no, but Andy or the Queen's English never. Okay. Or Jamaica no Ghana kakra. Jamaica need a Ghana kakra. But now me and the 3 lessons no.
Okay.
Jafe the wapa was away with but English Queen's English never. I am say you catch you Manchester near I am say
George there's no also Jamaica kakra na iso kakra.
But Queen's English boy. Okay. Ono Andy will tell us like what is he looking out for? Andy, can you take us through it? What are you looking out for today?
Yeah, sure. So when we're looking at a player, obviously they have to have that raw ability. So I think athleticism, that's a big thing. So be able to compete, have pace, power, get around the pitch. Technical, that doesn't have to be perfect because we're not looking at a player right now. We're looking at, a couple of years down in the future. So for us, it's about, do they have those raw attributes and can we work on things to get them to that point in the future? So you don't need to be a ready-made player right now. We're looking a couple of years ahead and can they develop in the future?
Okay, and the age category?
Yes, I think we're starting with some under 9, so 8, 9 years old, under 12s as well. Today we're going to be looking at. So I think it's better to start them off young because then it's a lot easier to teach them the principles of the game. And they're like sponges when they're young, they're taking a lot of information. So they're able to develop a lot quicker. And so that's why we kind of go for those younger age groups rather than the older ones because we have a lot more time to work with them and help them improve.
In the UK, your boys start on from 5 years.
Oh,
it starts with 4 years here. In the football, you can teach. Was a young crewman. Oh, him to train. Oh, yeah,
on the ball, or jago.
Only pace. There are so many things that we look out for. In the started, but we thought about it like last year. By who said a very difficult year started for those lower ages because don't forget the UK parents don't more money. Whereas I say it's a bit difficult. Like say proximity, there are so many things here. You started young, like Andy said. We're going to start from under 9 to under 12 for now. You boy be no talent now or your lower ages. We still work with it, but because you pay consistency in Kola, maybe a bit more matches in one. I would say 8 age brackets near close to each other, so that we can work.
Okay. So say be this year, be in your opportunity next year. You been so been so was our brackets now more born bopa so no better na when you saw opportunity I'm more access no.
Okay, so eventually maybe you be see Nyame Adoma you be see academy no man enye Kumasi.
Okay.
And you be keep it to ourselves for now. There's a lot of things
that's right.
But hana me nyini me papa obi eni so ya Shanti Kumasi.
Yeah. I natural science and math quiz here. No, I'm here. Do the about it.
Yes, science and math quiz. That's what you're football.
So say, when you have an American say, I'm part of Pukuari.
Pukuari, and I'm proud of everything. There's a reason why we want to start from Kumasi. We started from Kumasi for a reason. And that's not to say that we can first hub on Pukuari. You build different hubs. And that's not to say that we'll be your talent. No only Kumasi or a cutout. But at the same time, we want to make sure that are successful. And that's why we have different hubs because otherwise, the parents into me and my and person are not be affected or be a joining. It's just the beginning.
Okay.
Exactly the point of contact. No, you're in point of contact here. And the country director, Michael Papa.
Okay.
It's on the and yet we can't say that we have all the talent in it because talent is a Kumasi and as I'm getting the whole Ashanti region. If you fancy be one player be I think that and the other country director you know what to do.
So number be to you say be so be talent be near and I send am was here.
Papa. Okay number no. Okay number Papa could see Papa the number there. But what would you say? Your website, website.
Okay.
We'll make their website.
So Nipa na be there na bia. I will show a live on TV. Yeah, Kwame no.
Nana Kwame, yes.
Nana Kwame. So Oko City no.
Yes.
City Academy campus.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Oh, nice. A lifetime experience.
No, yeah. You see, and again, talents, they're tried and tested. That's one thing, and the reason why Manchester City and Manchester United and the big academies are signing. It's not that they are signing because ABR I found out when you feel. No.
There's a boys no war.
Yeah, because some of their friends we have invitations from like Chelsea under 9 and 8 some in Mbo. I think when we went to Chelsea and I also saw when we went to Aston Villa. Until we keep going around Man City, Manchester United. So
we be so more Febi.
Oh, someone there, young cry about banana boys come up for Mary. Under 8 where they are supposed to officially sign in next year May. Until the tussle starts very early. And generally, no share in terms of football progression and what maybe FIFA is looking at is that the progression starts at those ages. It's Manchester City and Manchester United under seven boys na countries we are in him so Cham will be 18 and after the baby reduce the age you know so we
I don't want to tell about
so it's not only we have to kind of start a waiver. We start paying attention to the talent that we have got at those low ages because that's the best thing.
Well, Mike will be kind because the thing man be can be George and they say your born maybe on so food and banning in Bob but I say and yet to say bio kwame no be fa so benya so opportunity say bio ne ba mo de mo hwe ne ba no so kakra bi hade I don't
know we have to go through the processes and be sure that there'll be no pressure on anyone.
Okay.
So we'll make that known. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's possible, yeah.
I mean and then I can say and Kolana coaching sports club or UK no.
Okay.
Most of them are from BIM backgrounds, from ethnic minorities, so black and Asian backgrounds,
Okay.
But, and emotional connections, which sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. Yeah, it's good in a way, say you're bonding, like obi uncle, But at the same time, if you want to get it right, we need to move away from emotions. So a lot of our decisions are going to be based on principles. And like I'm saying, for now, in terms of, like you're saying, very capital intensive, like me catch the amount that we spend to come here, footballs, like everything. Into almost kids in United and our sponsor from Adidas. Yeah.
Wow.
Puma and our sponsor from City. Into football boots, and because of that, and we want to go low, very low in terms of numbers because there's no point in being big, not when and you're sustainable.
Okay.
And that's why we need the likes of all of you to help out. And the number, no, the reason I'm fan to because we do have in Tinkruma, but my number, number every minute we are. So will be a super talented. Now, Michael, Papa, Ebia, Ibit Nation, but I was your budget.
That's right.
George can I mean
Sounds to the that should be and a
different a different. I don't think say mo be Ghana and another.
Oh yeah.
But at the same time, eventually we want to organize leagues and other things. It's your big plans, so we don't want to bite more than we can chew. We want to go one step at a time. Yeah, until after that, so we'll be a talented player and yeah, country director, the other kind of, but still, I would say
director him now. He say make us say be a my phone name a man for Brown Muti or more chances na say kwame no be fast we bia on bet me reach out to mo because when say bia say this year dem fans say more selective so nyame yad man next year next 2 years next 3 years kwame no be fast we benya say opportunity no
for me I think that for now you need to use social media.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The social media. Okay. I think that'll be better. Yeah.
Maybe a short video.
Because number one, the told you. Yeah, the social media for now.
Aside football and specific way we say more person the values do rank
George Benson.
I think one of the key things are academies no. They have almost moved away from say talents Nimbobo.
Some passports.
See no, yeah, family kwa ufimu. And your attitude. Attitude is crucial.
Because at that age,
at that age, there are so many things they can look out for. In TCNA, yes, you see, academy be a signing player. They have evaluated so many things. Sometimes I any more concrete say,
wow.
That with the 8 years, na mo yes
na analysis.
When you akola who analysis amoye. But now nene papa analysis here they two words no. So we are going to ensure say it is just the talent. Obi or talent no. But as we know, your area boys and everyone took on Facebook say Obi am born area boy din. But we na be 1,000 comments. The area boys were good, but sometimes the attitude was not able to take them along. Until we need complete human beings. And yes, just Obi are all good on the ball because football nyamadane. There are times when Coach Weber unfound so Coach Weber on the ball. There are times when you injury. You have to go through the whole mental process, or you have to be tough to come back. Like nyama bibi it's baby a friend of your mental health sessions. Your specialists. ironing Kolanekasa, even from this age, at this young age.
Wow.
You said that organize summer camps, holiday camps, Christmas camps, and within those, you show me be obi wo ha ball no woman sisia no on be dane professional footballer. But obe pick something from there. Musical. We teach them a whole lot of things. Dancing with it's just occupying your child in the right way, making sure you're healthy. Or be a professional footballer, we like it. But at least you engage them in a proper way. We are looking at attitude. Attitude, one of the most important things. Because Andy will tell you, say, without attitude, we can be sure that no matter how talented you are, you won't make it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Like, coaching a lot of players, not that many coaches, still involved in football. Have you had any personal contact with some of them? What share vision with the among? And what was their reception towards it? Say, as they did it.
Oh yes. Everyone knows it's an open secret. Kurt was very close to Coach and bring a Kurt up. Everyone knows that it's an open secret. Because he's a big brother to me. Before, actually 2 weeks before on Sudan, Kasai. So they all know.
Okay, no more chat.
Yeah, but one of the things that for now, you say, basics, you want to get it right, yeah. Somebody like him, he's involved because he's knowledgeable, he knows the area. Any arrogance, free UK buy a ABB or the dynamics are different. For now, we want to go though. You set up and one of the things that George Crown fan can say on Columbia basic English and maths test. But there was a OBB like OBB, because one of the things that I realize when people haven't got understanding it's difficult to deal with them. And Obi can have a master's degree and still not have a certain character assessment. Yeah, like I'm saying, this is a model that is worked. And we know it works, so we want to stick to that. And eventually, I'm sure, there are football people around here. You better get me involved, but for now, they're putting in place. But yes, the key football people, Makasa, like I said, you better engage if and long term, like last year, try to better partnerships with the Ghana Education Service. So in the pipeline, yeah. We have on screen now. I won't say almost Safari Park.
Okay.
It's not just football. That's why, like I said, we want to go low. We want to make sure that we give them the best of everything. So after Nkolai best selection, any parents bidding come more, whoever a bit my ball.
Okay, so from discussions, as an center, as a Nkodano, a mouse woman.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so you man and your opportunity.
Yeah. Until your all your favorite wild cat all girl session.
Okay.
And we know what I'm saying is the beginning of something small.
That's right. I understand. Yeah.
We are not despising small beginnings. That's where we need more media not to help us in terms of push this. Any BBI here will be a bit to my boy, be our parents. Everyone needs to come on board. Unfortunately, your principles we are not deviating from it. And we have to be very strict. And in Colano, they'll have a handbook. They'll sign to something to say these are the rules there. Yeah, that's not to say we are expecting perfect human beings. No, there's nothing like that. But a way you here will be with a willing spirit. Yeah.
Oh. UK culture allows for as you mentioned, you can deal with kids as young as 5 because parents are in it. They collaborate.
Some passports.
Over here, they're a bit different. I mean, any word of counsel be an advice.
You're making sure. Say, like I said, model, the UK model ever. Papa Franny, I bet tonight UK 3-4 months has gone through the training. Into your coaches, they will have safeguarding policies. Like one of the things that even UK problems that we're having is parents. We also ban them in the amount.
So that's what the match.
Into me, man says some training now. I was a parent never drop in and not be fan. Had the ending him say a very difficult, sir. Into parents are own team, you my baby you own team, you will put plans in place. But in terms of your coaches in the you better try DBS checks on them. You be making sure say Omar is safeguarding courses. Inti we say City bear CPD courses, any United courses. That's why Andy is here. Inti as they are here, and I say throughout and you meaning they were having sessions with no online, 1-to-1 with our coaches. Okay. So we want to make sure say and parents in like I said, safeguarding this. We didn't say like this is something new, and I'm saying say that's why you can say Yamon one and say it will be different and difficult. We know that, but if we can see it throughout, because like Ghana football in himself thinking. Okay. We need to get it back on track. Me papa me kaisa no mutimi ko tonight crab baby no ko pick player. No disciplinarian. And I was telling George the other day, you know what, when we're coming here, George the analysis be, and it's so true. I don't think someone in pick it. Karen Black Stars, he was telling me say only 2 boys. And yet kudos we in on board. But me papa more time, me kaisa 1-17 we see with Jesse. Me can on there. I know why Steven Osimhen ne Sir boys in Charles Taylor you drop your move from under 20 those days. Okay. People they understand because no about Black Stars. There were a few things that happened behind the scenes because based on that. But me fan say Ghana and 17 so be in fan in cinema. We got right to dream crowd. There are so many things that they do. Yeah. On Kolani si omo
Yes.
So it was like
yes. Our transitions.
Right to dream. We morning devotion every morning. You may not understand. No, Bruni Grebi I said be onye Christoni, but wa fabibi. This is a model. Like I said, be rest assured. Say safeguarding, DBS coaches, because we are not going to leave in Kolano for. That's why Papa he's gone through, and I've told him, listen, this is how we are doing things, and he's bought into it.
Okay, so social media handles saying.
Just type Coachini Sports Club. Coachini Sports Club. Your Instagram, your YouTube, your Facebook, your LinkedIn. Your TikTok, in fact, your Twitter.
Okay.
So baby, and then we have our website.
So go on a video to me, you know what tag.
Yeah, but tagging. Okay. So this is it. Now I'm sure our Ghana team will get you, and then we'll do the checks and everything. Okay. It's important.
What minimum say BBA can be my the best of one I say.
And then you made there. Ghana
already players selected, so
they're already selected. It's not the
yeah.
But at least we are making sure we are making it, yes. What I will just say in the end, I have to say a big thank you to Sompa. Sompa have been very good to us. And Fendi Agro, they have been very good to one of the stations on my very good to us. We are really looking forward to a partnership. Jeffrey, Papa, I mean the entire team. This has been it's a very special team. Me back I make a chance and say, see analysis never de. Or maybe also the Barcelona because say Papa Barca.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice.
It's more analysis that you say. Andy, you hear me? Manchester, you can't just. No, but Andy is in charge of the Manchester United Academy. The academy are doing very well. That's right. They are doing very well. The senior team is not doing well. Yeah. So Andy is suggesting that if you are a Manchester United fan, you are frustrated, watch more of the academy football. Or Andy, isn't that true?
Yeah, we won the treble last season, so
that's right.
Yeah, the boys are doing very well.
That is the academy.
Yeah, the academy team.
Oh, okay.
So we've got a lot of exciting players that hopefully we reckon next couple of years are getting into the first team. So yeah, if you want some good football, watch the academy team.
So academy for now.
Nice. So you still putting that trust in Eric Ten Hag to overturn things.
I said, question where they want to me answer. Because of you call straight to Manchester. And see you do her. Ten Hag will say, I told you the plan. What did you go and do in Ghana? You didn't follow my plan. I don't know about academy.
Oh yes.
And once the academy is doing well,
I don't know. That's it.
If you are frustrated with the senior team, academy football,
we are very fine. Okay, our work in progress, says Eric Ten Hag. Oh, Chelsea Blues.
Oh, Blues.
Oh yes.
Blues. Yes.
Our one die hard blue. Mike no on the ono kwa no aba ono koba.
Hey, okay, Newcastle.
Well, so Coach Ghanaian Sports Club, I better CP for more time. On social media handles, no more monk now, monk and I'm follow Nebia or Banebia, we beat me opportunity a mano. Yeah, advocate to a from how to UK dear. There's a mua, there's a mameno or breast watching my home 10 years. Asa, there's all baby disc and one. You better Master George for more time. Now, I mean, say, I know a binion so a binion, but when you crave. Yes,
that's a part.
Oh, and that's it. That's it. Whoa. Yemen na yemetwa so real quick. Yeba Ghana Premier League matches outdoor and so beba so. Ye was so yebehwem na ye gidi aka no enso aso so e di amao. Ghana Premier League official.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. I don't see a day what dog can want, and EJ can want, the ration more, a day what dog can want, and EJ can want, the ration more, since the days of Baba Yara, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Shamokwe, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abetasaki, we've been there. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Asamoah John, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Ishmael Ado, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. So this is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own, let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again. Since the days of Emmanuel Clotte, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. Since the days of Abedi, we've been there. Ghana Premier League is back again. Since the days of Joe Debra, we've been there. Division 1 League is back again. And the days of Ebo Smith, we've been there.
Whoa. Yembe na fe yemehwe Ghana Premier League mu kakra bi na fe yemfa ye course e be fa course na nche bia na mo am wo fie so monya chance enso aba so wo matches out ebeba so weekend on your screens. I know enso eno na Legon series ebo Accra Lions eno eye ne sa game na eba so afa make out say about live and Nations FC ebebo china against Vision FC House of Folk Elfie and the Gold Stars and a big game as I say I mean kind the last time I coach Yankasa from Pomanson call away a Cocofa defeat and he has our Jumaya and so our and crying ho I feel Bechem United about Kerala United Baseke Holy Stars about Santiago Rocco Young Apostles about Dreams FC Hunt of Lions and in Swatreman FC about Diana Stars Elfie about Mediema another big game and no and I face Summertex and so and Brukum Chelsea and so and a bebo arches and no I said city I did a 17 at the Emma Fay my cows week 18 Legon series and Accra Lions and no I golas draw bien to me on football Antonio Yonko Antonym Natchez and a gamer and also a bass Legon series Omutimo our bra Cotonum and HS sɛ boys aka gyina mu no ɛkɔkɔ yɛ goalless draw nti nɛ ɛne wɔkyena ana matches ɛbɛto aso ne ɛho sɛdeɛ no ɛnso ɛbɛsi akɔ yɛde ho nsɛm ɛma yɛtiefoɔ ɛnɛ ɛnso anɔpɛ ɛwɔ show no so ɛbɛyɛm kakra bi na yɛaba na yɛaba bɛto aso na afei yɛafa course no ɛnso ɛde afiri hɔ ɛno ɛnso ɛno hyɛ ako wɔ table no na ade ama me ne yɛabobɔbɔ so kakra bi wɔ aberɛ a yɛwuram ɛnso ɛwɔ yɛ saa weekend di games ne mu Ghana Premier League kɔrɔkɔ standing game ɛbɔ now so far our standings now just a Gold Stars Eddie Guy after 7 matches played our 15 points after Santoro Cabo 6 games our 14 Mediama Tosumi and South 14 Brekum Chelsea our 13 points Samatex our 10 Vision FC and so our 10 points in Swatraman Tosonso our 10 points Nations our 10 points House of Folk and Kuno our 9 Beche United our 9 points 11 for no and so I Heart of Lions with 8 points. Kerala Tosu Dumi no womo our 8 points. Lions Accra Lions atoso Dumi ensa our 7 points. Afe Baseke Holy Stars atoso do 9 7 points. Adriana Stars Edunum our 6 points and a Janga Apostles at the relegation zone 8 points. Almost 6, rather I beg your pardon, 6. Dreams FC Tosu Dunson our 4 points and a Legon Cities. And so I wore a 2 points. I know I said the city a day, a year one seminar, and so a day my yes. I am not sure enough. You may share a matches with Kakabinafe. You may far young course no. Meza.
Yes, Fancy. Shadrach, boy, make a crowd with the table. No, okay, table in the dasono. I think we enter into match week 8 with Babiani Gold Stars on top of the league. And Mediama and Brekum Chelsea. Then I think said Dreams FC relegation here in the Young Apostles, Money, Legon Cities. Mame fixtures on game by game. Na yame for what is supposed to happen this weekend. Legon Cities, baby, or more than in your manner, course, with team in Medica say relegation bomb. Maka say relegation bomb. And they will need to pick up as soon as possible. Oh, the rise of Legon Cities, how they've fallen. Fancy. I think this is one topic on Monday I will have to come and treat fully.
But Legon Cities make you more buy no say no more see promo more games
anyhow they've come down once at ease. I think it's really frustrating. Now also boils down to how investors see football and the reality of how Ghana football is.
Because me a sure pass seasons for them say nipan buy or this current will be catches and massa. The league now be overboka when them say be a team back on and so one time because for the match promo players are catch you offer some more jam. Sika will try those players that time. Player be no both cities be a catch us very very okay. So what has happened?
Fancy, I think Nyoma things are getting worse and they will need to catch up.
So Drew, no more players cry complaining as Ken free
in some it looks like the team now spiritually, financially, physically, everything is not going on well. And they have a good coach. They have a very good coach in Coach Pakwesi Fabin. Good players. Frank Akotomuni, these guys, and these guys are good players. But I think the results reflect how far they've come. And Accra Lions also. I think Shokan Moko, Isobila Mo, Makaka Krebini, some of these guys, they will need to pick up and get results. Then Nations FC, Vision FC. Fancy, this is one game I expect Nations FC to get their first win with you. Ghana Premier League now, but no win with you. Air draw on They remain undefeated at home. Almost form were very good, but I think this is high time they need to get the results as soon as possible with you. It's Meko for Nations FC win against Vision FC. House of Folk Ibo Gold Stars. The biggest test for House of Folk in the few games no more this particular game. Adriana game the Fancy. I don't think Adriana game was a tough game for House of Folk because once before the game, the catch was Adriana Stars and Kasomoni House of Folk no more Taisha House of Folk and House of Folk in sharing their results beyond Fentiomo in recent times. But the game we mu demo Sonkoni say House of Folk in lose game for the last 4 or 5 games. House of Folk some Lucy. And Omo back up against Gold Stars on the top league, you know. And Miriam Fi say Gold Stars Ankasa in terms of their away games recently, no more away pick vital away points be, especially against Samatex. Samatex, you need some mufia who then was no more 1 point against Samatex. Oma befi, Oma babeshe. They be say because it is a home dominant league. If you want to win the league, getting draws away, no, there is no problem with it. And Kevin Opomoni, these guys are stepping up. Munya results in the Gold Stars. I think this is a game Babiano Gold Stars will be able to pick a draw against House of Folk. Then Kumasi Asante Kotoko kwa away to Baseke Holy Stars. Baseke Holy Stars coach Yehwan. Abdullah Ghazali onim Kotoko team no. Onim players no. He has been the assistant coach. He has been there before. I think this is a game that was also proved as a test for Koroko. And when you see one place and Koroko struggle until last 2 seasons, Tamana Karela wo Koroko Koko Shebi. And almost abai. And I think this is a game Koroko knows the ground so well. So but I think Koroko has the opportunity to win or draw this particular game against Baseke Holy Stars.
Whoa, medase meza. Mame mfa course no na mo amwo fie mo hwe ne mo a mo tie so yema mo bre na mo mbrem na afi. Yemfa mo course no kakra 21st clinic adaro ma yefa course. 0551931931 0548931931 wo TV Mr. Ofra na walowa volume na wo TV no so ama me na afi. Also wabasona yakasa ewo phone mo betime nka me so metonka na chese atoa so enso e de free wo 0543 0548931931 0551931931 hello caller. Yes sir, good morning.
Good morning sir.
Open your first work as a free ni ntio.
Asa friend Osman na kasa fish nyane.
Osman etio.
I'm about to pop to you.
Debbie or
I'm not looking at you. About you, what's the power? I thought I knew Papa Diana. I'm only at this place for the banana. I don't know. No, some of them hello.
It's you, Penny.
I come here and the last was no, I said, I need to hold by.
Okay, but yeah, so bad. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello. Hello, caller. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Penny.
Good morning.
Good morning, Penny. First, work as a free. Okay, yes, you.
That's all. When I started with the movie, like I said, that could have passed. And then the Colocovarian, it's not Colocovarian. I know the boss for a casito. Maggie, almost the same, but in a better Maggie. And then, the team is good for all. It's good. The rest of the thing about the movie.
Mate, yara se so ba so wo yemfawe. Hello caller.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hi.
Man, so me your first work as a free. Yet you.
Wait, enya rema me da so much.
O say married match na then.
They say me update on the mission.
I will be okay. I will game. Why? Okay. Well, hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
But good morning.
It's on car. We're first August, a friend.
But I send me Mr. Philip, but I think I'm taking now.
It's you.
I'm the pastor and a match, no extra season. But I Barcelona baby a man red for one.
Okay.
This Catalunya.
Oh, okay. Mate Barca chef for one. Hello, caller. Hello.
I come in Kwanka. I'm not down, I'm not my wine. First, I'm here to 12 years, 9 years now.
Oh, okay. Martin T. Yeah, I'm on tag more social media, social media handles. No, why? Coaching in sports club. Okay. Well, young far for free. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Hello, caller.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, just so your first work as a free.
You're from Toronto, Mikatafi.
Toronto, it's you. Kasa lower volume ni mama nye menti o why?
Okay.
Hello caller. Hello. Oh, next. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
Open here for us, August, friend.
I say, friend, you are going to say,
yeah, boy, it's you.
If I show Madrid, say, Barcelona 3-1.
Okay, Mate. Yeah, for hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, open here for us, August, friend.
But you can say, Jamati.
Yes, you.
But you. Eklesi 3-1 against Barcelona.
Okay. There's a Madrid, Ebeshe Barca 3-1. Mate, Yemfa for free. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Maybe I try it you.
I'm a
Yet you.
And then you do where my readers see.
Hey, Munya,
6.
More show me say
6. No, 6.
6. Whoa. Okay, Mate. Mama should be okay, yo. Mate, it's a 5, you know, should be that. Hello. Hello, caller. Hey. Whoa. I am found free. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning.
Opening NCO.
Hello.
Yeah, tune can it you.
But you are Madrid, I.
Okay, Mate.
Madrid 4-0,
Mate. Yeah, that's so bye. Yeah, for free. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello. Whoa, you should other line. Hello.
Hello.
Opening. Good morning, Yentio.
Morning, from Pont Frederick.
From Pont Yentio. Feast, my man for last caller now. Sorry, so hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Very.
Exactly. I just need the question.
What is you? Okay, what's in your hobo code here?
I'm not in a hobo code.
It's you.
I don't buy the debate now. I think you know about us. I don't buy the
Okay. Mate, yeah, that's it. Hey, Shaq. The Edikan, happy birthday to Faustina Chan or Asafo Ketro Obi. And I say, yeah, we share Faustina Chan. Happy birthday. Afe, Raina Jewel Techua Samoa. And then I would from our force Shaq. And it ben is Boatma and I say, yeah, we show a yawada panina a bear penny pana, mamma and papa, and your son fast on tea and no and so on war. I yet down about real quick a bar. Yabetuaso.
To all our believers,
to the Niger Gunners of Club Road,
all you Artetas of Africa, of Accra,
of Maputo,
of Oimbo,
the legends of legends down Lusaka way. We hear you.
Now hear us. Obrigado. Talo.
Betway, the official global betting partner of Arsenal.
Baba Gentleman Dental Clinic, Jumadia Yedia, and say, BCC will sing, Naya Bo sing Hobai, Amawonum, and so Axi, and I say, or sing animal yams who are far and to Mapa. If you fix one, no, and I say, you type for the permanent one, no, and also you see a untimi aim to give, and no, and your friend the PFM bridge, and I say PFM crown. I feel you sign a cleaning services, about your profession, no more, your friend is killing and policy. Say Abia and Nema be Ashisha, a cinema, said you Okasa, it's me, my pampan, and the Ebo, no Oba Gentleman Dental, yet Nina be Ewo. Gentleman Dental Clinic, Yawoko Foridia, Central Police Station, and Chanwa, and I would do and kind to sway Yawunungwa, and atomic down, Domekwa being a runabout on so, and I would do Takwa, the pipe one, traffic light, and I will pipe one, Yane OGN Bank, and with the same premises, and a Kachiman so Yawo magazine market a quina suwa, or Anase opposite AY Ahmed, and I would do Kumasi Abrepo Junction, total filling station, traffic lights na anihwe G runabout no. Who free total station na ya bron sign na edi ho. Ye adwuma free eda juada kopem eda memeda. Wetimi afre ya homa no e wo 055 913 9582.
If I shop down, I'm sure you'll buy you.
Brother, and not to him.
Now tell me about Michelle see about Queen Wayne and say,
Bra, said your time about Mister, it's your Jimmy me fearful, and not your back ever so.
Really, I know this offending now.
Bra, so make us a me time about Mister Wadansia. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Mister.
I never go, dear, no more to want to me any deal. What drawn a time about Mister? A drink and your mark or bar waffle through. Dear, one mark for down for any aquada when you fear to me, and son of the time about Mr. Draven. Shasta Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Mister. I feel malaria fever be an ziva a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to draw namu. FDA Aji a dreading crotway at all.
Abusaka Kabi will have made out from Nara, who said, woman said, I'm flacket to 1 year, 2 years, I can die. In the African Spider-Man, I may have a flacket to him one any power here. Then the big cost for Nuti coming when you go ready, won't be. African Spider-Man and Baby say Bob of Faith, but preoccupying who's African Jack, what Baby say Bob of Faith, now we secret to anything. Imboost herbal mixture and only me secrets. Now me yet trying to cut out from. And a police me do what dance me say. Many na me sonshare. Na me sorry no. A boosted immune system. I'm a semi trainer mental bread. Me di come on. I'm going to come with home so a cost. Me class so me die yale. I'm my latitude. Me nya baako. And ye je na koso Hey, Spider-Man, what are you going? Who for me cratching?
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and answer herbal shops. A pin for any color mundi if you do me no enom. FDA agigade katwe atu.
Every day. Madam High Sense in you. There may woman there. A check Croy. Every 28 October. I come in 8 November. And a High Sense fridge promo. So we heavy. Ghana had ye. I bought the fridge. High Sense and Kwan the Waho do about 35. High Sense ye never fee a factory and about what direct. A papa, a chair, a fair, and chewing Kanya. I want so a cool High Sense and Kwan and out of free to a while. Ye about 5 years manufactured defective warranty. Say a 5-bedroom house and now small apartment, school, office, restaurants, and a cold store. High Sense for free. I to say, oh, am I review? If it's 28 October, I come in 8 November. What High Sense showroom here? That's quite Judean. High Sense, everyday prices for everyday people.
So wallpapers, papa OP wallpapers, and American for amount. So wallpapers, they decorative offices. So fee and sorry. Say ye paps ahodo. Baby bia uya wallpaper, they do jume biano. OP wallpapers, Efro. Yama wallpapers ebe macho blind curtains. Ebano bedside lamps and so. OP MR types, or mar shapes. Colors ahodo nina. Ubenya biato ewana sweho. Se OP LED backlight, edi above flash screen echia. And also OP ebe some selfie ring lights, I do phone bishim, a OP wallpapers, and a bema selfie ring lights. OP, Ewo Kumasia Doom, first floor, Nana Kwesiajman building, Tafo GNTC building, first floor, Anna Chronom, our barrier, on the market and Edian share. So open wholesale, and answer retail, any OP, any in South. For OP, our 0540 353750.
Mamisha. Time HH herbal Mr. Bina Unumi, and your water dropper, a draw say, a manipedian quamwano, and yahuating, na a quotia yare, and chain yare and san wakakoto, fire wardrobe, nan nominal abribia, Canoga Company Limited,
what the time time ebetwaso wono a na the time herbal mixture e dia bedwaso akora wonyanya mfirisia dumienu enum bi wo pemfo ene oba wo makora nufuo enso enum bi time herbal mixture ubenya bi
over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu
so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time herbal mixture e yedro say FDA adje edwadie nkratoe